also going to give you the bonus secret, the 7th secret I was talking about. All these things are going to help you to jumpstart your freelancing and agency and exponentially improve your results. And the fourth one is all the chats, all the prompts that I'm going to use, all the AI prompts I'm going to use, those would be shared only with people who are going to stay with till the end with me. तो ये 4 गेट सिर्फ उन लोगों के लिए हैं जो एंड तक रुकेंगे. लिस्ट ऑफ 30 फ्री टूल्स हैं, 100 हुक आइडियाज हैं जो कि मैं यूज करता हूं अपनी रील्स बनाने के लिए, which go to 100k views, 200k views, 300k views. प्लस मैं आपको बोनस सीक्रेट दूंगा अगर आप एंड तक रुकोगे. प्लस मैं आपको सारे एआई प्रॉम्प्ट्स भी दूंगा जो भी हम पूरी वर्कशॉप में यूज करने वाले हैं. आई होप इट इज क्लियर गाइस, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. let us move ahead. Now, just to make you a little more focused, क्योंकि अभी तक हम फालतू बात कर रहे थे, अभी तक we were talking about here and there, we were talking about bonuses, gifts and whatnot. Now just to make you a little more focused guys, just to bring your focus back to this screen and this workshop, I present this to you, one of the results. Ravi Taneja, a 23 years old guy, was working in a 3 LPA job, a mere 3 lakhs per annum job, started his business and scaled it to 35 lakh rupees in just 60 days. Using the same strategies that we are going to see inside this workshop. From 3 lakh rupees per annum to 35 lakh rupees, 10x jump in income in just 60 days, guys. Now, I hope I have your attention now. I hope I have your focus now, because whatever we are going to cover, very, very, very important, guys. Do not miss even a second of this entire workshop. Otherwise, you will be lost. Do not miss even a second of this workshop. Otherwise, you will be lost. I'm telling you that. चलो जी, फिर start करते हैं. Now, let us do away with the basic questions first. What are these basic questions? I don't have a degree. I am still a student. Can I do freelancing or start an agency? If you are a student, it doesn't really matter. What really matters in the freelancing or in the agency world is if you can bring results for your clients. If you can give results to your clients, you can start an agency or you can do freelancing. Client is not asking you for your degree. As simple as that. So if you are a student, you can still do freelancing, you can still start an agency if you can bring results for your clients. Cool? Second question. I am working, can I do freelancing or start an agency on the side, or can I do this work part-time? Absolutely, you can do that. I developed my own agency, my own freelancing career along with my full-time job. You can do it too. You can do it too. Just spend some time on getting these clients and I will tell you how you can deliver to these clients as well. Right? The only disclaimer I want to give you guys, do not take up projects of your competitors. For example, if you are working with Infosys, do not take up projects from Wipro. If you are working with Apple, do not take up projects from Samsung. If you are working with Mahindra Automobiles, Mahindra Cars, Mahindra Motors, whatever, do not take up work from Tata Motors. If you are working with any company, do not take up work from your competitors. If you are not doing that, you are safe. Do not worry. Do not worry. So yes, if you are doing a full-time job, along with your full-time job, you can start your own agency or do your freelancing. Can I work from home? Absolutely, you can work from home. I have been working from home even before COVID hit. Even before COVID started. I started working from home in, I believe, May of 2019 or even before that. How and why? Because you as a freelancer, nobody expects you to come to office. You as an agency owner, nobody expects you to come to the client's office, visit client's office, sit in the client's office and do work. You can do your work from your home. As simple as that. Plus, if we are going to get international clients, they cannot even imagine or dream of getting you to their place. Otherwise, it will cost you a lot of money. And obviously, they will have to bear it. So yes, you can work from home. Can I build a big business doing freelancing or by starting an agency? Absolutely yes. You can build a big business by doing freelancing or by starting an agency. How to do that? I'm going to answer that thing for you. So the answer to all the above queries is a big yes. Big yes. But how to start? How to find premium clients? How to find international clients? I am going to answer all these questions for you during the workshop. Please keep patient. I am going to answer all these questions in the workshop itself. ठीक है, moving on. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. What are you currently doing? We have already covered that. I know what you are doing. Now, do you know what a freelancer or an agency does? By the way, guys, we have been speaking about freelancing. We have been speaking about agency. Is there anyone in the workshop who doesn't understand what a freelancer or agency does? It will take me 1 minute to explain. Please let me know. Okay, I can see some questions. ठीक है. So, what is it? Basically, breaking it down to very simple terms, it is a done for you service. What is a done for you service? A client wants something to be done in his or her business. For example, I want to build a new website. I want to run ads. I want to write a blog. I want to shoot a video. I want to develop an ERP application. I want to develop my mobile app. I want somebody to do hiring for me. I want somebody to do sales for me. You as a freelancer or as an agency owner you go to this client and you deliver this service to the client. For example, I am a business owner, you are a freelancer. I want my website to be developed. You will, as a freelancer, come to me. I will create a website for you and give it to you. Great. I will edit your videos for you and deliver it to you. I will write content for you and deliver it to you. I will do hiring for you and deliver it to you. I will do administrative tasks for you and save you time and deliver it to you. So anything that you are doing on behalf of your client, उसको हम कहते हैं freelancing या agency. Now, if you are doing it alone, as a single individual, you are doing freelancing or consulting. If you are doing it with a team, आपने client से project लिया, you find other people to do it and deliver that project, it is called an agency. Simple है guys. If you are a single person, you are doing freelancing. If you have a team or if you are asking somebody else to do it, you are an agency. Simple, right? And by the way, guys, people who are asking this question that you do not have a registered company, can you still take up freelancing projects? Yes, you can. You do not need a registered company to take up projects. You can raise invoices in your own name. That is completely fine and completely legal in India. You do not even need GST registration to take up projects. तो कंपनी का नहीं चाहिए रजिस्ट्रेशन, जीएसटी नहीं चाहिए आपको टू टेक अप प्रोजेक्ट्स. तो क्या हुआ फ्रीलांसिंग और एजेंसी? जब आप अपने क्लाइंट के लिए कोई सर्विस उसके लिए डिलीवर करते हो, चाहे वो वेबसाइट बनाना हो उसके लिए, चाहे वो एड चलाना हो उसके लिए, चाहे वो कोई एप्लीकेशन बनाना हो उसके लिए, चाहे उसके लिए डैशबोर्ड बिजनेस डैशबोर्ड्स बनाना हो उसके लिए, चाहे उसके लिए आर्किटेक्चरल डिजाइन तैयार करना हो, आपने क्लाइंट के लिए कोई काम करके उसको दे दिया. दैट इज व्हाट इज फ्रीलांसिंग और एजेंसी. अब अगर आप खुद कर रहे हो, दैट इज फ्रीलांसिंग. अगर आपके पास टीम है जो कि कर रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एन एजेंसी. सिंपल. समझ आ गया गाइस? समझ आ गया फ्रीलांसिंग एंड एजेंसी? प्लीज टेल मी. समझ आ गया तो प्लीज टेल मी इन द चैट विंडो. जल्दी बोलो भाई, बहुत सारी चीजें कवर करने के लिए. वी नीड टू मूव फास्ट. आई हैव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू कवर. वी हैवंट इवन सीन सीक्रेट वन सो फार. ग्रेट. ऑसम गाइस, ऑसम. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो, नाउ द फर्स्ट स्टेप, if you are starting an agency or if you are starting your freelancing thing, is to pick up a skill. एक स्किल उठानी है, उसके लिए हमको क्लाइंट्स लेके आने. Now what can be this skill? I am giving you a list of skills, right? You can pick any of those, plus you can, and this is not an exhaustive list. इसके अलावा भी skills हैं. There are more skills apart from these skills I am showing to you that you can still do. I'm just giving you options, right? So you can do content writing for your clients. You can do develop graphics for your clients. You can do video editing for your clients. You can do programming or coding for your clients for their applications. You can manage their social media, their LinkedIn, their Instagram, their YouTube. You can manage their social media ads, social media marketing. You can do SEO for clients. You can become a virtual assistant to a client, to a business owner, to a founder, or to a top executive. You can hire people or acquire talent for your clients. You can also do other HR stuff for your client. Cool. You can do digital marketing for your clients. You can run ad for your client. You can do appointment setting for your clients. What is appointment setting? Client has a list of leads. You call up these people, get them on a call with the sales guy. That is what an appointment setting agency does. You can manage operations for your clients. You can handle UI UX for your clients. You can manage their projects, you can manage their product, you can become a product manager, you can become a project manager, you can do photography for clients, you can do hiring, we have already covered that. If you are from accounts or finance, you can do bookkeeping for your clients, you can help them file taxes, you can help them save money, you can help them with compliance, etc., etc. You can manage their inventory. You can create email campaigns for them, you can write emails for them. And by the way guys, just to give you a little bit of insight, I was recently speaking to a guy who runs his own email campaigns agency. You know how much he charges per month for one single client to write email campaigns? He charges 1.5 lakh rupees a month. 1.5 lakh rupees a month plus GST to just write emails for you. Yes, even a skill like email campaigns, such a low skill per se, still people are charging huge money because they can guarantee results. If he is asking from me 1.5 lakh rupees plus GST, I am sure that he'll be able to give me 5 to 6 lakh rupees of additional business. Hence, he can charge that much. So that was just a little insight. You can also do audit, financial audit, technical audit, cyber audit. You can also help them with cyber security. You can also help them with sales. Basically, the idea is whatever domain you are in your job, you can start offering the same skills to your clients instead of your organization. Why? You already have some skills. That is why a company is paying you money to do that thing. Why can't you use the same skills to get more clients and make money for yourself? When one guy is paying you money for the skill sets that you have, why can't more people pay you money for the same skill set? So whatever domain you are in, use that domain, pick up that domain, use those skills. No need to learn new skills. Use those skills and start getting clients for those skills. As simple as that. As simple as that. Cool, understood? Chalo, let's move on. But which skill to pick exactly? If you have this question, which skill to pick exactly? Now you might be somebody who has multiple skills. You might be somebody who is not clear कि यार मैं कौन सी skill pick करूं. For you, I come to secret number one. Secret number one, guys. Secret number one. Excited to see secret number one. Which skill to pick, guys? Excited to see secret number one. Please type in secret one, secret one, secret one, secret one. I'm not going to reveal the secret until unless I get at least 50 secret one. Secret one, secret one, secret one, secret one. Okay, chat is going crazy. Chat is going crazy, guys. Okay, let me show you secret number one. So pick a skill. Pick a skill, guys, that AI can help you deliver. Pick a skill that an AI tool can help you deliver. What do I mean by that? What do I mean by that? For example, if let's say you are into content writing, you can use this tool, hoppycopy.co. Let me show you this tool. Let me show you this tool. Okay, I already had logged in, but I do not know why this is again asking me to log in. Wait a minute, guys. This happens in a live workshop. That is the problem of doing live workshops. Okay, I am in, guys. I am in. Go to this tool, hoppycopy.co. Guys, you will get all the links at the end, towards the end. If you are going to stay till the end, along with the prompts, you are going to get all these links of the AI tools. Cool? Do not worry. Go on the left hand side, click on writing. The moment you click on writing, you will be able to see multiple things you can create using this tool. Let's say I create a newsletter. I want to create a newsletter or a series of newsletter. I click on this. It is asking me who is sending this newsletter, to whom, who is the target audience, and what is the topic of interest. Now let's say I am a content writing freelancer or an agency owner, and I am writing an email from an e-commerce business owner to his clients. From an e-commerce business owner to his users, to his buyers. Cool. So from an e-commerce business owner who sells, which sells electronic products. Target audience, who is my target audience? Let's say college going students. College going students, they buy my electronics. Topic of interest: how can lifestyle electronics make me look good? Or how can my electronic accessory make me look good? Simple prompt. Tone you can choose: friendly, casual, luxury. Let's say I want to keep it friendly, and I'll just click on create. And it will take 2 minutes and give me the entire data, the entire newsletter. Simple. Style upgrade with smart tech, campus school with audio gear, backpack flex, tech that turns heads, glow up with LED accessories, Insta ready setups, wearable tech that fits your vibe. Just take this newsletter, paste it in something else, deliver it to your client. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that. So if you are doing copywriting or content writing, you can use this one tool, hoppycopy.co. There are many more tools also available. Let's say you are doing website development. And you want to deliver website for your clients. Go to this site, turbosite.io. I have already kept it open, turbosite.io. Click on create a new site. Describe, create a new e-commerce website for pet products business owner. Whoever your client is, guys, whoever your client is, you can type that command prompt here. For example, create a new website for a construction company. Let's say you have your client is into construction and you want to create a website for that. Simple prompt. You choose the design. You want to go for illustration, photo, or isometric, and that is it. That is it. Click on let's go. Let me name it something like ABC construction. And you click on let's go. It will take 2 minutes and give you the entire website in just 2 minutes. What more do you need, guys? What more do you need? So if you are into website development, if you are a freelancer or an agency owner who develops website, use these tools. Use these AI tools to deliver websites for your clients. Let's say you are into social media management. You want to handle social media handles for your clients. YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, etc. This is the tool you can use. Socialbee.com. You go to this website. Let me show you what it does on Google. Socialbee. Let me show you what it does. AI post generator. You can generate entire posts from this tool, from this AI tool. Now let's say you are handling a social media for your clients. You just go to this tool, ask this tool to generate a social media message for your client. You take that social media message and paste it on the sites, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, whatever. Problem sorted, guys. Problem sorted. These are 3 tools that you can use. By the way, these could be paid tools, it could be free tools. Do not worry. People who are asking for free tools, do not worry. I have a solution for you. Do not worry. I'm going to help you. Right? So the next question is, ठीक है, Shikhar, you have shown us 3 tools. बहुत बढ़िया. What? Let's say I am not a content writer. I do not develop website. I am not a social media manager. I belong from some other domain, which many of you are. Which AI tool is for me? Which AI tool can I use for myself? So whatever skill or domain you are in, find AI tools for yourself. How can you do that? How can you find AI tools for yourself? And for that, I would need you to interact with me in the chat window. Do you want to find AI tools for everything? Please let me know in the chat. Say AI tools, AI tools, AI tools. If you want to know how to find AI tools for everything. कैसे हम AI tools हर किसी स्किल के लिए, हर किसी डोमेन के लिए ढूंढ सकते हैं. If you want to know, please comment AI tools in the chat window. Comment AI tools in the chat window, guys. Please, 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 please. And this brings me to secret number 2. How can you find AI tools for everything, guys? Everything under the sun. How can you find AI tools for everything? What you need to do, you just need to use go to this website. There is an AI tool for that. Let me open it and show it to you. There's an AI tool for that. There's an AI for that .com. There's an AI for that .com. Do not worry, I'm going to share this URL with you at the end of the workshop with whoever stays till the end. जो भी लोग end तक रुकेंगे मैं सारे URLs आपको दूंगा. Do not worry. So there is an AI for that. Now let's say I want to find AI tools for creating a website. So I enter a task. Create a website. Simple prompt. Nothing very fancy. I click on search. It has started loading and searching for me. Let us wait, guys. Let us wait. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, verified tools. Durable AI, Wave AI, Get Site, B12.io, Mobilize, Vegic, Pineapple Builder, MakeWeb.ai, ChatZap, Zyro, Zemo, Localosite. So many AI tools, guys. So many AI tools. Now, did you know that you have so many AI tools already available for just website creation? Let us search for something else. Create graphics, or create images. Let's search create images. Let's see what it shows. So when I'm showing my browser, you are not able to see me. Okay, I've just realized that. Loading. If you want to generate images using AI, you can use Lupa AI. You can use AI Photo Wizard. You can use AI Easy Pick. You can use Magic AI. You can use Image Chat. You can use Photo GPT. You can use MixArt. So many AI tools. So many AI tools, guys. Everything on this website. It has 35,000 AI tools. Now what you need to do, enter your skill here. Find tools for yourself. Go to each tool, figure it out. See if it works for you and your clients. If it does, start using that AI tool to deliver projects for your clients. As simple as that, guys. Find multiple AI tools for your skill, for your clients. Start using those AI tools and start using the one which helps you to deliver projects to your clients. As simple as that. And this is just not it. You can also go to home. The moment you go to home, you will be able to see new tools, new AI tools coming out on a daily basis. People also ask, exactly, final interview, Wootechie, Tarot Seer, Chat Playground AI. These are all new tools which have launched maybe just today or the day before. How cool is that? Voice type AI, SEO Juice. How cool is that? Now, for people who want to use AI tools for free, please comment in the chat. Do you want to know how to find free AI tools? Do you want to know how to find out free AI tools? Please comment free in the chat window. Free in the chat window. Free. How to find free AI tools for your work, guys. Very simple hack. Just go to this option and in the top and click on this, enable this, switch it on. You can also choose 100% free. You can choose freemium. You can choose free trials, but let's say we choose 100% free. And let me find tools for website development again. And now let's see what it shows. Zooming it out so that you can see me at least. Website development. verify tools, 100% free. Domain owl, 100% free. Domain something, AI domain, sites GPT, 100% free, guys. Concentration something, 100% free. Simple bio, AI domain, 100% free. Only.coms, AI domain, 100% free. Naming magic, background something, code wizard. So many free tools, guys. So many free tools. By just a click of a button. All free AI tools available to you on your fingertips. All free AI tools available to you in your fingertips. Now, how many say that their mind is blown after looking at this hack? How many would say that their mind is blown? Please comment MB in the chat. Please comment MB in the chat if your mind is blown. Please comment MB in the chat if your mind is blown. Now, you have all the free AI tools in your fingertips. Do you or do you not? Now, since you have AI tools available for your skills, you can deliver your projects 100 times faster, 1000 times faster. Earlier, you were only able to take 2 to 3 projects at max. You can now take 10 projects at a time. Guys, significantly increasing your income. Plus, even if you are doing a full-time job, you can still take up projects and deliver these projects using the AI tools, because you need to spend just an hour using the AI tools to deliver these projects. Problem solved, guys. Time problem solved, scalability problem solved, bandwidth problem solved. You are not able to take many projects together. Now you can. How was it? How did we solve it? Using AI tools. That is why I was stressing on pick a skill that AI can help you solve, so that you can scale it. Now, people who are asking this question, that business owners also know these tools. Yes, they do. But do you think the business owner has the time to go to these different AI tools, explore these tools, and get output from these tools? They need a person to do it. I cannot do everything. I know all the AI tools. Do you think I can do everything on my own? No, I do not have the time. I need people to use these AI tools to deliver things for me. And I'm absolutely fine. With that. Because I know this is the next big thing. So a business owner cannot use all the AI tools. That is why they need you, freelancer, agency owner, to help them do it. Simple. Let's move ahead. These are some of the results, guys, that we have. Swati Singh, IT professional. She was stuck at 25,000 rupees per month. Scaled to 5 lakh rupees per month. From 25,000 to 5 lakh rupees. Tanmay, SEO agency owner, 23 years old. Only 23 years old, guys. Was stuck at just 20,000 rupees. Scaled to 12 lakh rupees. Rajat, wellness coach. Was stuck at just 70,000 rupees per month with offline coaching. Scaled to 18 lakh rupees. Using the same strategies that you are seeing. Here in the workshop. Prateek Gandhi, into software, focused on getting projects from outside India, was stuck at 1.5 lakh rupees per month, scaled to 12 lakh rupees per month, guys. 12 lakh rupees per month. And the same results are possible for you if you follow the right strategies. As simple as that. You can do this too if you follow the right strategies. Now, coming to the next section, which is building a portfolio. What is a portfolio, guys? What is a portfolio? Portfolio is a document where you list everything that you have worked upon. All your projects at one place. Simple है. एक वर्ड फाइल कह लो, एक पीपीटी कह लो, कुछ भी कह लो, उसके अंदर आपका जितना भी आपने अभी तक काम किया है पिछले क्लाइंट्स के साथ, वो सारा काम आप उसमें रखते हो, ताकि जब नया क्लाइंट आए आप उसको दिखा सको. New clients that come to you, they ask for your portfolios so that they can see the kind of work you have done and the kind of companies you have worked for. That is what a job of portfolio is. Simple hai, building a portfolio. So the next step comes. Step 1 was we picked up a skill. Step 2 is to build a portfolio. ठीक है? But the biggest problem that most of us face when we are starting out. I have no clients. How to build a portfolio without clients? How many of you in the workshop have this problem? How many of you have this problem? How to build a portfolio? How to build a portfolio without clients? Please let me know. Problem. Please comment problem in the chat window. How many of you have this problem? That When you do not have a client, how will you create a portfolio? And now, how many of you want to solve this problem? How many of you want to solve this problem for life? Please comment solve in the chat window. Please comment solve in the chat window. क्योंकि आपका पोर्टफोलियो हम अभी चुटकियों में बनाएंगे. Do not worry, चुटकियों में बन जाएगा. Even without clients. So this brings me to secret number 3, guys. Secret number 3, how to build a portfolio even without having any client. Secret number 3. Secret number 3 is you have 2 options. Option number 1 is you pick any 5 big brands in your domain. अपने डोमेन में कोई भी 5 बड़ी ब्रांड उठा लो, ठीक है? And you assume a sample project that brand, that business is giving you a sample project. Simple है. And then create assets for the project and include it in your portfolio. Assets मतलब कोई वेबसाइट बनाने का प्रोजेक्ट अज्यूम कर लो कि फ्लिपकार्ट आपको दे रहा है, अमेजॉन आपको दे रहा है. Create a website for that. Include it in your portfolio. If you are into digital marketing, SEO, develop an SEO optimized website for let's say Cred, for let's say Byju's तो गया अब, for let's say XYZ company, Unacademy, जो भी है. तो assume 5 big brands. It could be Zomato, it could be Swiggy, it could be Amazon, it could be Flipkart, whatever. जो भी आपके डोमेन में लगता है टॉप लोग हैं कि लोग सुन के खड़े हो जाएंगे, अरे भाई इसके लिए काम किया इसने, right? Take those companies, take the name of those companies, assume a sample project and then deliver that project as if कि वो सही में आपको दिया हो, and include these projects in your portfolio. Include these projects in your portfolio. And by the way guys, a lot of people are doing the same thing on LinkedIn right now. People are assuming projects, they are creating assets. They are creating assets for these companies. Zomato के लिए आए दिन कोई पोस्ट कर देता है, कुछ Cred के लिए लोग करते हैं, and these companies actually hire these people then if they like their work, because they are posting something on their own on social media and tagging these companies. The company takes notice. If they like their work, they give the work to these freelancers or agency owners. That is how they are getting clients. This is option number 1 for you guys. अब मैं कहता हूं that you do not want to do this manual work also. आपको ये भी मेहनत नहीं करनी है, ठीक है? आपको ऑप्शन 1 की assume करनी मेहनत नहीं करनी है. So I have option 2 for you guys. Option number 2 is you go to ChatGPT and you use this prompt. Do not worry, I am going to give the prompts to you at the end, to the people जो भी मेरे साथ रुकेंगे till the end, ठीक है? Prompts आपको तब मिलेंगे, अभी देख लो, समझ लो. So go to ChatGPT and use this prompt. I am a freelancer who deliver dash projects for clients. Let me minimize this so that you can see me. First and foremost, you ask ChatGPT to act like something. So if you are into website development, ask ChatGPT to become a website development expert. If you are into graphic designing, ask ChatGPT to become a graphic designing expert. If you are into data analytics, ask ChatGPT to become a data analysis expert. Sorted? So act as a, let's say, website development expert. Simple prompt, no problem. Cool. Next prompt, guys. I am a website development. You can write freelancer or you can write agency owner who delivers speed optimized websites for e-commerce business owners. Simple prompt. I am a dash freelancer who delivers dash for dash clients. Simple है. I am a content writer who delivers SEO optimized blogs for SaaS companies. जो भी आपका टारगेट मार्केट है, जो भी आपकी स्किल सेट है, वो यहाँ पे डाल दो और भेज दो ChatGPT को. चुपचाप भेज दिया. बढ़िया. Now the next prompt comes. Next prompt is, please give me a sample project from brand, let's say Flipkart, let's say Amazon. Please give me a sample project from brand Amazon to help me practice my skills and add it to my portfolio. Simple prompt. Please give me a sample project from brand Amazon to help me practice my skills and add it to my portfolio. Send. Sent. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Sample project Swift cart, Amazon inspired high speed online store. Project B, build a minimal yet powerful e-commerce website model after Amazon's core shopping experience, but with a faster, cleaner and more modern UI. The focus is on performance, mobile optimization and seamless shopping experience. Key features to include, एक home page डालना है, कैटेगरी पेज डालना है, प्रोडक्ट डिटेल पेज डालना है, कार्ट पेज डालना है, चेकआउट पेज डालना है, लॉगिन साइन अप डालना है, टेक्स्ट स्टैक दैट यू कैन यूज, फ्रंट एंड में Node.js करना है, सॉरी Next.js करना है, बैकएंड में Firebase करना है, इमेजेस ऑप्टिमाइज यूजिंग Next.js कंपोनेंट, SEO प्लस स्पीड एक्सेट्रा ऑप्शनल, परफॉर्मेंस ऑप्टिमाइजेशन गोल्स भी हैं कि हमको ये गोल हिट करने हैं, लोड टाइम होना चाहिए 1.5 सेकंड्स, गूगल लाइट हाउस स्कोर होना चाहिए 95 प्लस, समथिंग समथिंग समथिंग, पोर्टफोलियो एक्सेट्रा, प्रोजेक्ट नेम दे दिया, सबको दे दिया. The entire project is in front of you guys. The entire project is in front of you. Take this project, create a website, and that goes in your portfolio. Simple. Simple. Now, let me give you something that will again blow your mind. Now, who all feels that doing this work, creating your portfolio is a big task? How many of you feel that creating a portfolio is a big task? And you will not be able to do it? क्योंकि भाई वेबसाइट बनानी है पूरी Amazon जैसी है स्विफ्ट कार्ट के लिए, सिमिलरली ऐसे 4 और ब्रांड्स के लिए करना है, तभी तो पोर्टफोलियो में ऐड करोगे. सो व्हाट इज द हैक टू डू दैट? सिंपल है. गो बैक टू चैट जीपीटी. चैट प्लीज हेल्प मी और प्लीज गिव मी अ लिस्ट ऑफ AI tools that can help me to deliver this project with a click of a button. Simple prompt. Please give me a list of AI tools that can help me to deliver this project with a click of a button. एक क्लिक करूं प्रोजेक्ट डिलीवर हो जाए. Enter. ChatGPT is now going to give you tools. Simple. Design to code automation. Locofy.ai, UiZard, Teleport HQ, Durable.co, 10web.ai, Mixo.io, GitHub Copilot, Codium, Mutable AI, Copy.ai, Jasper, Hypotenuse AI. Now you can use all these tools or any of these tools to build websites or to deliver your sample project and add it in your portfolio, guys. उसके लिए अभी मैनुअल मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैनुअल मेहनत करने की जरूरत है ही नहीं. Go to these tools and create the website now and add it in your portfolio. Simple method, guys. Simple method. Now, do you also need that AI tool website? ChatGPT से पूछ लो ना भाई, जो काम आप कर रहे हो, जो स्किल आप यूज कर रहे हो, उसके लिए क्या AI tools है? सिंपल है, सॉर्टेड है, हो गया, मजे आ गए. This is option number 2, guys. This was option number 2 for you. How many of you feel now your mind is blown? Again, how many of you feel your mind is blown now? Please comment MB in the chat window. Please comment MB in the chat window. This is how you create portfolio. Problem solved for life. Problem solved for life. Please comment MB if this problem is solved for you for life. जहां महीनों आपको लगते हैं पोर्टफोलियो बनाने में, you can create it in days, in hours, like this. As simple as that. As simple like this. Mind blown. Awesome, guys. Lovely to see you. To see your comments. Lovely to see your comments. चलो, portfolio बन गया. Skill उठा ली, portfolio बन गया. Let's move to the next section. Now the problem is कि यार portfolio जरूरी तो है. But the problem is only 10% of the clients check your portfolio, that too at a very later stage of the conversation. When they are looking for freelancers or agency owners to get some work done, तब उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता है. They do not have the time to go through your entire portfolio. Hence a problem. You have created a portfolio, but the client is not going to look at it. So what to do? How to solve this problem? I, as a business owner, I get about 25-30 emails a day with portfolios. Do you think I have the time to go through their portfolios? All the portfolios? No, I do not. Do I go through any portfolio? No, I do not. So how can you get a client without even showing a portfolio. What to do now? What to do now? But what if, what if, what if, what if the client is able to see your work even before speaking to you? What if the client is able to see your work even before speaking to you guys? आपसे बात करने से पहले ही अगर वो जान जाए कि आप क्या काम करते हो और आप कैसा काम करते हो, तो कैसे होगा? मजा आ जाएगा? Won't it be great? Won't it be great? Now, how many of you want to learn this? How many of you want to learn this? How to let the client know what you do and the kind of results you provide even before the client talks to you. How many of you wants to know this secret? Please comment secret number 4. Please comment secret number 4 in the chat. Please comment secret number 4 in the chat. If you want to know how the client would get to know about you and your work even before you talk to the client. If you want to know this secret, please comment secret number 4. Secret number 4, secret number 4, secret number 4 guys. बहुत बढ़िया. The answer to that question, the answer to this problem is quantitative result. Quantitative result. What is a quantitative result? Let me explain it to you. A quantitative result is a number. Is a number that you can promise your client. जैसे कि for example, I will help you to increase your sales by 20%, or I will help you to hire better or sooner and I will save your 3 weeks in hiring. क्या हुआ? एक number आया. There was a number that you will help them to achieve. I will help you to if you are a virtual assistant, let's say, and you help business owners with their tasks, you can say, I will help you to save 1 hour a day with my services. I will help you to save 1 hour a day. What is it? It is a quantitative result. It could be an absolute number, it could be a percentage, it could be a multiple. I will help you to grow your followers from 100 to 10,000 people. I will help you to grow engagement on your post by 10x, multiple. I will help you to grow your business by 50%. क्या है ये सब? Quantitative results हैं. Whatever domain you are in, guys, whatever domain you are in, the companies, the organizations already give you KPIs, key performance indicators. You sit with your KPIs during your appraisal every year. Those KPIs are your metrics. Start using those metrics as your quantitative results. Time saved, new client brought, marketing did, team coordination, जो भी है आपकी metric, उठाओ उसको. It could be sales, it could be time saved, or it could be any other metric. New revenue source, speed optimization. Earlier your website was loading in 10 seconds. Now with my service, the website would start loading in 1 second. What is the change? Percentage change. What is the percentage change? That is the quantitative result. So whatever domain you are in, guys, whatever domain you are in, think what quantitative result you can promise to your client. Think what quantitative result you can promise to the client. Once you have figured that out, then you have to write your quantitative statement. Quantitative statement. What is it? I help these clients to get this result in this much time using this approach. Simple. मैं एग्जांपल देता हूं. I help e-commerce business owners to increase their sales by 20% in 3 months using my conversion rate optimization framework. I help clients to automate their business in 2 months using my AI automation technique, and I save you 1 day a week. Quantitative result. I will help you to lose weight. I will help you to lose 10 kgs in 3 days, whatever, in 3 weeks using my keto diet. Simple example. This is how you write your QR statement, guys. I help startup founders to build their brand and grow their followers to 10,000 followers in 1 month using my organic content. Whatever domain you are in, build your QR statement like this. Now the question comes कि ये QR statement हम डालेंगे कहाँ पे? QR statement आपकी जहां पे भी wherever your name is appearing, wherever in the world your name is appearing, you will add your QR statement to your name. For example, LinkedIn का tagline section. For example, your in your signatures in your email. For example, in your WhatsApp, in your Truecaller. जहां पे भी आपका नाम आता है वहां पे ये टैगलाइन आपकी आनी चाहिए साथ में. Wherever your name comes, your tagline should come. As simple as that. So that the moment the client sees your name, the moment anyone sees your name, they get to know what you do and what kind of results you can get for your clients. तभी तो क्लाइंट सामने से आएगा, even without looking at your portfolio. तभी तो उसको समझ में आएगा आप करते क्या हो. Got it? Yes. Now I know most of you are asking this question कि यार how to find that number and how to commit a number. It's a problem. How to commit a number, right? Now what happens, guys? What happens? I tell you, based on your experience, you are already using that skill in your job, right? Based on your experience, you have some understanding of some number that you can promise to your client. It could be $2,000, it could be $10,000, it could be 40% increment, it could be decrease 40%, whatever it is. I do not care. You start using that number. Start using that number. You will get your first client. What would happen? Best case scenario, if you have promised to increase their revenue by let's say $5,000, you would help them to increase it by $7,000. That is the best case scenario. Client is happy, you are happy, balle balle. Second scenario, you are able to help them get $5,000, reach $5,000, right? You committed something, you achieved the result. Everyone is still happy. Worst case scenario, if you are unable to achieve $5,000 for the client, at least you will be able to achieve $2,000 for your client, $3,000 for your client. It is still an added advantage for your client. If you are saving their time, if you are hiring faster, whatever help you are giving them, it is still an added benefit for your client. The client is not going to come back to you and ask you, भाई तूने तो 5,000 commit किया था, तू 2,000 कैसे दे रहा? Because they have already received an incremental result which nobody in this world is giving to them. Nobody in this world is giving to them. Now, from next client onwards, start committing this smaller number, not the higher number. As simple as that. Earlier we were committing $5,000. Now we will commit $2,000. Earlier we were committing 50% increment. Now we will commit 20% increment. Earlier we were committing 1 hour saved daily. Now we will commit 30 minutes saved daily. Simple. Because now you know the kind of result you can bring for your client. Now you know the kind of result you can bring for your client and you are confident about that. Because you have already brought it for one client. Simple hai? Simple hai guys. Problem solved. Start with an assumption. Start with an assumption. एक assumption वाला number लेना है. Start with that. Find your first client. Deliver that number for your client. Deliver हुआ बहुत बढ़िया, नहीं deliver हुआ, bring your promise down for newer clients. बुरा से बुरा क्या होगा? That client will leave you. That is the worst case scenario. It is fine. I am going to give you a strategy that is going to bring you loads and loads of clients. तो client चला गया, परेशान नहीं होना. ठीक है? This is one thing. Second thing that you need to do, you need to write your case study statements so that you can prove that you can help them in bringing this result. You need to write your case study statement. What is a case study statement, guys? What is a case study statement? I help client XYZ to get this result in this much time using this. इसमें क्या था? I help these people. इसमें क्या हो गया? I helped. So the case studies that you create of your clients as a freelancer, as an agency owner, one page long case studies, three paragraph long case studies, three slides long case studies. Nobody has the time to go through that. Nobody has the time to go through that. Your case study should be just one statement case studies. I helped Amazon to increase their sales by 10% in 2 months using my optimization. I helped this business owner create a business dashboard and increase the visibility of their business or in their business by 50% with that dashboard, hence saving them time every day, saving them 1 hour daily in 3 months using my data analytics skill. I helped the client increase their sales by X times using my data modeling insights in this much time using this. Simple hai, simple hai. I'm going to give you this statement, guys. I'm going to give you these statements towards the end. Whoever is going to stay with me, आपको मिलेगा ये सब कुछ. ठीक है? चलो, Q are done, guys. Please write Q are done. Please write Q are done, guys. If your quantitative result is done, समझ आ गया? If you understood this concept, please write Q are done. Please write Q are done, guys. Please write Q are done. Awesome. Let's move on to the next thing. How do you get clients? So now our skill is done, our portfolio is done, our QR statement is done. Now the next question comes, the big question, and I know most of you are waiting for this question. How do you get clients? How do you get clients, guys? How do you get clients? Now before we move ahead, let me tell you who are these people you need to go after. Who will buy from you? So you need to go after two kinds of people. The first kind of people are the leadership people. CEO, CMO, CTO, CHRO, CISO, CISO, Chief Data Officer, whoever is in the leadership, you should have their contact details. Do not worry, I am going to show you how. This is type 1 client. Type 1, the leadership of any company. The leadership of your target companies. One thing. Second thing is type 2. You should have the contacts of your entire vertical. Matlab, if I am into marketing and if I am doing some marketing projects, I will go after marketing executive, junior marketing manager, senior marketing manager, director of marketing, VP of marketing, fields marketing manager, digital marketing manager, XYZ marketing manager, the entire marketing vertical I need to get to know about. Simple. Similarly, if you are into data analyst, business analyst, data modeler, data scientist, data head of data science, whatever, your entire domain. If you are into something else, let's say you are into IT, software engineer, SD1, SD2, tech lead, software architect, team lead, CTO, VP of engineering, chief of engineering, whatever the domains are, your entire vertical. This is type 2. So type 1 is the leadership, type 2 is your entire vertical. ठीक है जी, ये दो clients के पीछे हमें जाना है. We have to go after these clients. So let me give you one approach of getting clients. And what we are going to do, we are going to use LinkedIn. Now, first things first, what you need to do, you need to create a list of your target companies. Not dream companies, guys. Not dream companies. These are your target companies. What could be your target companies? It could be startups, it could be IT, it could be SaaS, it could be D2C, it could be education, fintech, coaching, etc. Whatever domain you want to go after, create a list of companies in that domain. You can use Google, you can use Yelp, you can use other websites also, right? And let me give you an example. Let me open LinkedIn, right? I am opening LinkedIn, guys, and let's say I want to go after information technology companies. I want to go after IT companies as clients. Okay? And I want to know who are the founders of these companies, who are the CEOs of these companies. And what we are going to do, we are going to use LinkedIn for this. And this is free LinkedIn, guys. This is not a paid version. You can do it too from your LinkedIn. Simple है. यहाँ पे जाओगे आप, यहाँ पे लिखोगे founder. लिख दिया, founder लिख दिया, click enter. Simple. Click on people. अब क्या हुआ? Founder at Joyers, Atif Bhargava, founder Bird House, Komal Dhamija, founder at Sirimiri, Yamini Galhotra, founder Magma Search. Now I only want to go after the founders who are in the United States. What do you need to do? Go to all filters, guys. Go to all filters. You'll be able to find locations here. Let's say I only want to go after business owners who are staying in US, who have their business in US. International clients चाहिए मुझको. So I'll select US. I can select their current company. I can select their company domain also, their industry also. I want to go after, let's say, technology, information and media companies. Technology, information and media companies. I can go after software development. I can go after professional service. I can add my own industry also. E-commerce, SaaS, fintech, whatever, coaches. And simply I click on show results. Show results. क्या हुआ? चेतन राव आ गए, फाउंडर एट मैवरिक. Where is he? Urbana. Preet Sahil Singh, founder, CEO, Imagine.io, Austin. Aditya Srivastava, founder at Calls Cube, Fort something, Florida. Utkarsh Singh, founder, Sales Captain, New York. Slad Michaelek, co-founder at Loomis. Prashant Upadhyay, co-founder at Prime World. Victor HSU, co-founder and president. आगे सबके बिजनेस ओनर्स, आगे सबके सीईओज, जो भी इंडस्ट्री आप टारगेट कर रहे हो, you now get the company, you now get the name of the person also. कंपनी भी मिल गई, नेम ऑफ द पर्सन भी मिल गया. सिंपल. इसको जाके सर्विस बेचनी है हमको. चेतन को बेचनी है, प्रीत को बेचनी है, आदित्य को बेचनी है. तो व्हाट डू वी हैव नाउ? नेम ऑफ द कंपनी वी हैव, द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन वी ऑल्सो हैव. What is the next step, guys? What is the next step? Now we need to get their email IDs. We need to get their email IDs. How are we going to get their email IDs? Let me give you a simple hack. Simple hack, guys. Let me give you a simple hack. Now, 90% of the companies follow this methodology of naming employees, of giving email IDs to employees. First name dot last name at company.com. So if I am Shikhar Suri, I'm let's say working for Amazon, it would be shikhar.suri@amazon.com. Simple. 90% of the companies follow this approach. Shikhar.suri@company.com. First name dot last name at company.com. Then 5% of the companies follow this approach. Initial of their first name, last name at company.com. For example, S Suri at amazon.com, S Suri at flipkart.com. Prashant, if it is Prashant Kumar, it is P Kumar at flipkart.com. तो पहला ये आधा पार्ट मिल जाएगा, फर्स्ट नेम डॉट लास्ट नेम बन जाएगा ये. नाउ लेट्स से हाउ टू गेट योर कंपनी, हाउ टू गेट द कंपनी नेम. सिंपल है. गो टू एनी कंपनी, गो टू द कंपनी, गो टू योर टारगेट कंपनी. लेट्स से हम सोशल बी में चलते हैं जो हमने खोली थी. लेट्स से वी गो टू दिस कंपनी एंड लेट्स से वी वांट टू रीच आउट टू द फाउंडर ऑफ दिस कंपनी. फाउंडर कहां से मिलेगा हमको? लिंक्डइन से मिल जाएगा. वी विल गेट द नेम ऑफ द फाउंडर. मिल जाएगा फाउंडर. समझ आ रहा है गाइस? समझ आ रहा है? प्लीज से यस, समझ आ रहा है. We will be able to find the founder of Social Bee from here. Founder, Social Bee, click enter. You will be able to find the founder, name of the founder, co-founder at Social Bee, Fred Ali. Wow, San Francisco, living in San Francisco. Now, how do you write his name? Fred.Ali at the rate. Fred.Ali at the rate. How will you get at the rate? Company domain. Go to any company's website. Go to their contact us page. Go to their contact us page. It would be in the footer or in the top menu. यहाँ पे होगा या सबसे नीचे होगा. And here you will be able to see the domain of that company. The domain the company is using, socialbee.com. Now let's say if I want to send an email to the owner of Social Bee, what I will do? I will say fred.ali@socialbee.com. fred.ali@socialbee.com. simple बन जाएंगे email IDs. अब you will be able to create your own email IDs now. बहुत बढ़िया. Now let me give you a free tools. Let's say you do not want to do this manual work of creating email IDs because this is a hit and trial. You do not want to do this work. So there are 3 tools that I am giving you. Please note them down. 3 tools that I am giving you. These are Chrome extensions. One is Scrape, SKRAP or SKRAPP or SKRRAP. Just do a simple Google search, you will find out. Scrape. Second tool is Hunter, Hunter.io. Hunter.io. Third tool is Snovio, snov.io, snov.io. These are three tools and there are more tools available. They give you free credits. They give you about 100 credits a month. तो क्या करना है, इस महीने 100 लीड्स इससे निकाल ली, 100 ईमेल आईडी इससे निकाल ली, 100 ईमेल आईडी इससे निकाल ली, 300 email IDs done. This month 300 email IDs done. When the next month comes, they will refresh your credits. फिर से क्रेडिट मिल जाएंगे, फिर से 300 email ID done. बढ़िया, cool. Now what we have, guys? What we have? We have the name of the company. We have the name of the people we want to reach out to. We also have their email IDs. And we also have their LinkedIn profiles. चारों चीजें मिल गई हमको. Name of the company, name of the person we want to reach out to, email ID of the person, LinkedIn profile of the person. We have four things, guys. अब the question comes, बहुत बढ़िया, हमारे पास लिस्ट तो आ गई, हमारे पास नेम्स तो आ गए, हमारे पास लीड्स तो आ गई. Now what is the next step? How to get these clients? Let me take you to the next step, which is secret number 5. How to make them your clients. Guys, please comment secret 5 in the chat window if you want to make these people your clients. Please comment secret 5 in the chat window. Please comment secret 5 in the chat window. Secret 5. Please comment secret 5 in the chat window if you want to learn this secret, how to finally get your client towards yourself. 5. Awesome, guys. And let me reveal this secret to you. Guys, please pay all your attention here. This is one of the most important part of the entire workshop. Please leave whatever you are doing and bring all your attention here. So what I'm going to show you, guys, is an email structure which gives you 90% open rates. Not 5%, not 10%, not even 50%, 90% open rates. The industry standard is 3%. Only 3% people open up any email coming from a stranger. I guarantee you this email structure gets an open rate of 90%. 9 out of 10 people you are sending this email to are going to open this email. This is so powerful. This is such a powerful email. So this is secret number 5, guys. Please pay your attention. Please look into the screen and get ready to get this structure. So how do we start this email? The most important thing which decides if your email is going to get opened or not is the subject line. And what is going to be our subject line? Our subject line would be of appreciation. We will be appreciating somebody for something. For example, we can appreciate them for a new feature. We can appreciate them for a social media post. We can appreciate them for their website. We can appreciate them for their service. Now imagine if you are sitting in your office and you receive a new email saying appreciation email for so and so thing, and that actually is relevant to you. What are the chances that you are going to open this email? How good the chances are that you are going to open this email? We are all appreciation hungry. We do not get appreciated a lot. Hence, this subject line works. Start with an appreciation. Then what is next? Then we put the appreciation line when we start the email. We start with appreciation. Okay? Next thing, we connect the appreciation with 2 problems that you saw. The problem could be on their website, the problem could be on their social media page, the problem could be in their features, the problem could be anywhere the media is talking about, problem could be what their customers are telling them. Go to their customer reviews, find out the problems the customers are facing. Identify these 2 problems and mention these problems to your clients. Then you also need to give solution to these problems in the same email itself. You know how many mails or DMs I get in a day? Your content has this issue. Please hire me. Your content is not engaging. Please hire me. Arey bhai, theek hai. Why is it not engaging? How will you solve that? Have you answered these things for me? You are just using one common problem and sending it to everyone. That is not how it works. Your problem, your appreciation has to be specific. Your problems have to be specific. Do not worry, मैं अभी आपको example दिखाऊंगा. I am going to show you an example of a real life email that has got us a client, got our student a client. ठीक है? So do not worry. So subject you appreciate, you start with appreciation, you connect it with two problems, then you give them a solution to those two problems. Then comes your QR statement, which you have already created. Then comes your case study statements. I have helped XYZ client achieve this, this is this. And then comes your CTA. CTA, what is the CTA? Click to action. Your click to action has to be very specific. What do I mean by when I say specific? Are you available this Thursday to get on a call at 3 p.m.? Do not give your client time or work to do कि भाई कब मिलेगा मुझसे. They are busy, they do not have the time. So you need to tell them, are you going to meet with me? Are you available to get on a call with me this Thursday at 3 p.m. or whenever you are available? दोनों चीजें ओपन रखनी है, रूड नहीं होना है. But still you give them an option by Thursday 3 p.m. or Wednesday 11 a.m. whatever time works for you. That should be the CTA. Now let me show you a live example of this email. This is one of the email that one of our student wrote to a gym owner in the US, based in the US, and let's go through this. And it landed that gym owner as a client for this student. And the same email, a similar email can get you clients as well. So the subject line goes as, just love your where strength unites all Instagram reels. So they had some post on their Instagram. The title of that post was where strength unites all. So what is he appreciating? A real thing which really exists, which the owners or the team has worked around to create. Appreciating their Instagram reel. Hey David, Maria, both of them are were the owners of the gym, right? So hey David, Maria, I just love your Instagram reel where strength unites us all. First statement, appreciation statement. It's awesome. From your Insta page, I went to your website. However, your website doesn't share the same vibe as your Insta page. What are we doing here? Connecting the appreciation to the problems. Because we are going to talk about the problems now. So there has to be some context. How did you come across the problem? Right? So from your Insta page, I went to your website and your website doesn't share the same vibe. Two issues that really concern me. There is no single CTA. कोई एक CTA नहीं है, click to action नहीं है website पे. And there is no commitment or promise on your website. These are the two problems. Now the solution to those problems, for problem number one, you can simply mention start your free trial today at multiple locations on the website. Now what the problem was on the website, somewhere they were saying start your free trial, somewhere they were saying walk in, somewhere they were saying call us, multiple CTAs. Now what this guy suggested them to do, just use one single CTA across the page. On your entire landing page, there should be single CTA at multiple locations. That is the solution to problem number one. How do you solve problem number two? And to address this problem, you need to add at least one promise saying, reach your objective in 2 weeks, or lose weight in 1 month, or result guaranteed in 3 weeks. Problem number two was there was no commitment or promise. So the commitment could be, we will help you to gain weight in 2 weeks, or we will help you to lose weight in 1 month. We will help you to gain 3 kgs in 3 weeks. There has to be a promise on the website. So these were the two solutions that the student, that my person pointed out to the gym owner. Okay? Now, resolving these two issues and others that I can find on your website, we can significantly increase your walk-in revenue. So what is this guy saying? कि भाई एक अच्छी चीज है, these are the two bad things. This is the solution to those two bad things. Now I can find more problems. There are more problems existing in your system, in your company. I can solve more problems for you, which will ultimately help us increase your revenue. And then comes the case study statement. With my website content services, I was able to help fitness gym increase their conversion from 100 people a month to 200 people a month in 2 months, thus increasing their revenue by USD $200,000 per month. Now let's say one person who takes a membership for a gym pays $1,000. How much money would the 200 people bring in? $200,000. And that is how you show your worth. That is how you show the value. That is how you show the ROI. And if you can see, this person hasn't used his QR statement yet in the email. He's not using it in the email. Still, he was able to get a client because this email is so powerful. So powerful. And the last thing comes, which is the CTA. Let's connect over a call anytime next week on Thursday at 2 p.m. or on Thursday at 2 p.m. or is missing. Let's connect over a call anytime next week or on Thursday at 2 p.m. and discuss on how we can increase your revenue too. Simple email, but very, 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 very effective email. 90% open rates, guys. 90% open rates. Now what you have to do, you need to create similar email for your target companies. Similar email for your target companies. Find one good thing for your target company, find two bad things for your target companies. As simple as that. And take this email और जितने भी लोग हमने अपने डेटाबेस में बनाए हैं, the CXOs of the company, the entire hierarchy of our domain, send this email to everyone in the company. Everyone in the company. Send this email in DMs to everyone in the company. You have a list of, out of 10 people you are sending this, 8 people, 9 people are definitely going to open this. And 5 to 6 people are going to reply to this email because this is so contextual, so specific to them. It could be a no. It could be a no. But still you will receive a reply. This is so powerful. Again showing it to you guys. High converting email structure. Please, 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 please note it down, or I do not know, put it in your head so that you always remember that. Start with the appreciating subject line. First statement should be of appreciation. Connect it with two problems. Give solution to those problems. Then your QR statement, then your case study statement, and then comes your CTA. The same email has given us big, really big global clients, guys. The same email has given us big global clients. Big global clients. So guys, please let me know after looking at this email structure, how many of you think that your mind is blown again? How many of you think that your mind is blown again? Please comment MB in the chat. Please comment MB in the chat, guys. Please comment MB in the chat. How many of you think now your mind is actually blown? And this was the best thing that you saw. This is going to get you loads and loads of clients. Please comment MB in the chat window. MB. Great. Awesome. बहुत बढ़िया guys. Thank you. Wonderful. Let's move ahead. Cool. So all this is good now. All this is great. Whatever we have seen so far, very good. Awesome. But how to make crores of income using freelancing or agency, and how to go to the next level? This is good. Yes, we will get clients. Yes, we will be able to do 10 projects. But how to get to that next level? If you want to make crores of money with your freelancing career and your agency, and so many people are already doing that, and I will show it to you. So what you need to do, guys, you need to follow my secret number 6. Secret number 6. How can you make crores in income with freelancing and agency? And for that, I bring you secret number 6, guys. Please comment secret number 6 if you want to make crores of money. Please comment secret number 6 if you want to make money in crores. Please comment secret number 6 if you want to make money in crores. Great, guys. Great. Moving ahead. So what you need to do, guys, you need to create a brand empire. You need to create a brand empire. Now, what is a brand empire? Okay, let me give you some examples first. We all know what Google is. We know Google has a search engine. We keep on using Google for searching. We know Google has Gmail. We know Google has Maps. Google has multiple services, right? What are these things? These are products. Google has products, and we know that it's a products company, right? It has its own product. But do you also know that Google, the same Google, competes with the companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro to get technology projects? They create customized products for the clients and deliver it to them, acting like an agency. How are they able to do it? One simple answer: brand. People are buying from Google, irrespective what they are buying. If it is a product or it is a service, doesn't matter. If you trust a brand once, you trust the brand for any product that it comes out with. Another example, let's go for Apple. Apple sells laptops, Apple sells AirPods, Apple sells mobile phones, and Apple was recently also coming up with their own automobile, their own car. Although they have shelved that project, but if they had continued developing it and brought it to the market, I am sure people would have lined up to buy a car from Apple. Why? Because of Apple. Irrespective of what Apple is going to bring in the market, people are going to line up and buy from them. Because people trust in the brand name. How am I able to run multiple businesses together? Because people are buying from Shikhar Suri, not from my different companies. If they trust me, they trust my products, they trust my service. Whatever they are buying from me, they trust me. Hence they are buying it. Let's take another example, Microsoft. We all know Microsoft has Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office. It's a products company. But is it? Microsoft again competes with Google, with TCS, with Infosys, with all these other IT major brands to get projects from clients. They also act as agencies. How do and why do they get projects? Simple answer, brand. People know Microsoft is trustable. Let's give our project to Microsoft so that Microsoft can develop that project and deliver it to us. Understood? So the basic point is, the moral of the story is, your brand becomes the central focal point of your entire business empire. Your brand sits in the middle. If you are able to do that, if you are able to create a brand for yourself, you would be able to create multiple business units around that. Right now we are focusing on services, your freelancing, let's say your agency business, whatever it is. If you are able to develop a brand, you will be able to start your coaching or consulting business as well. You will be able to create your own SaaS products and sell those SaaS products to people, software as a service. You will be able to write books and sell those books and make money from your books. You will be able to sell merchandise, sell products, start an e-commerce store. You will be able to maybe start a restaurant that we see many influencers are doing right now. You will be able to start selling clothes. Whatever your niche is, whatever your brand is, you can start selling that. Plus, you also get brand collabs. That is an additional income for you. Point is, if you are able to build this one central pillar, you will be able to create these multiple business units around your brand, and you will be able to make crores and crores of money just because of this one thing in the center. Just one thing in the center. As simple as that. And by the way, this is not an exhaustive list. There could be many more business units that you can start around this one thing. So the point is, if you are concentrating and if you are able to develop your brand, you will be able to make crores and crores of money, and money won't be a problem for you anymore. Cool guys, understood? Now from now on, please make it a point that you are going to create a brand empire for yourself. You are going to create a brand empire for yourself. One very good example is Donald Trump. Donald Trump has been focusing on his own brand since decades, not years, decades. I know when I was studying in school, I used to see WWE. In WWE, Trump used to come. He used to pick up fights with the owner of WWE. Something used to happen, and I remember him from that day. He has been on American television from ages. He has been a media celebrity from ages. And look at him now. He is the president of the United States of America. How and why? It's not about his policies are right or wrong. The point is, people know him from ages. People know him from years, from decades. They are already aware what he is and who he is. Another example, Elon Musk. Wonderful personal brand. When people are buying from Tesla, people are looking at his SpaceX things. People are not looking at his companies. People are looking at him. That is one of the reasons he is able to do what he does. So why can't you invest in building your own brand? Elon Musk also started from zero. Donald Trump also started from zero. Many other businessmen, many politicians, they do start from zero. This is your time, guys. This is your time. Please start investing in your brand. Please make it a point in your mind. Whatever business you are building a brand empire. Brand has to be in center, and around it you create the different business units. Cool. बहुत बढ़िया. समझ में आ गया सबको, guys? What is a brand empire? Have you understood? Please comment BE if you understood. Brand empire. Please comment BE if you understood. Please comment BE if from now on you are going to focus on creating your brand empire. BE. Wonderful, guys. Now, let's come to secret number 7. How to communicate with the clients. So now, we have selected a skill, we have created a portfolio, we have created a QR statement also. We have found out people from LinkedIn whom to reach out to. We have written emails and we have sent those emails to people, and the clients are ready to get on calls with us now. Now the point is, how do we close them? How do we communicate with the client? That is secret number 7. But before that, let me recap of what all we have covered. So far, guys, we have solved 6 problems in your life. 6 big problems in your life. What problems have we solved? Not knowing what is freelancing or agency. Right now you know. Which skill to pick, you are unclear. How to use and find AI tools for your work. I have given you a website for that. I have given you ChatGPT prompts also. Not able to create your portfolio with no clients. Now you will be able to create your portfolio in minutes, not in weeks, not in months. No clue on how to find clients. I have given you a clear strategy and roadmap on how you can exactly get clients for yourself. This is the same way we are getting clients for our agency, guys. And you did not know how to take your business to the next level. Now you know how can you take your business from just a freelancer or an agency to the next level and make crores of money in time. Guys, who all agree that these 6 problems are solved in your life? Please say yes. 6 problems solved. Please say solved in the chat window. If these 6 problems are solved for you, please comment solved in the chat window. If these 6 problems are solved, guys, please comment in the chat window. I'm waiting. I haven't gotten enough responses. Please, if you are not going to give me enough responses, I'm not going to move ahead. Please comment solved so that we can together move ahead. Great, awesome, solve for me. This was amazing. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया, wonderful, guys. It keeps on giving me energy. It keeps on pumping me with energy. Moving on. Now, how many of you agree? Guys? Achha, by the way, before going that, if you have to describe whatever we have covered in this workshop so far, if you have to describe it with one word, what would be that one word? Please comment that one word in the chat window. Please put that one word in the chat window. Was it amazing? Was it good? Was it great? Was it mind-blowing? Was it valuable? Please comment that one word in the chat window. So far, how have you liked the workshop? Please use a one word to describe this entire workshop so far. Please use one word to describe this entire workshop so far. Wonderful, guys. Amazing. Thank you. Chalo, moving on. Now, how many of you agree that this knowledge will definitely help you to start or grow your freelancing or agency business? Whatever we have covered so far in the last few minutes, you agree that this knowledge is definitely going to help you grow or start your freelancing and agency. How many of you understood that using AI can help you increase your income? How many of you understood that using AI tools can help you increase your income? Please comment. And how many of you understood that whatever you are making, you can make 1,000 times more if you have a brand? Whatever you are making or earning right now with your agency, with your job, you can make 1,000 times more of that if you just have one single thing, which is a brand. Now, if you understand that, I have this one video for you. This is by Alex Hormozy. Let me play this video quickly.
So he's saying, let him say first. So Alex Hormozi is saying that he was able to take home more in a year than the CEOs of McDonald's, IKEA, Ford, Motorola and Yahoo combined. He was able to make more money than मैकडोनल्ड्स, आइकिया, फोर्ड, मोटोरोला एंड याहू के सीईओ से भी ज्यादा, इन सबकी इनकम जोड़ दोगे उससे भी ज्यादा ये घर लेके गए थे. दिस इज व्हाट ही इज सेइंग. हाउ वाज ही एबल टू डू दैट? हाउ वाज ही एबल टू डू दैट? वन सिंपल आंसर, ब्रांड. दिस इज अनदर एग्जांपल गाइस, दिस इज अनदर एग्जांपल. सी दीस टू प्रोडक्ट्स हियर लिस्टेड ऑन Amazon. ये क्या, कितने का प्रोडक्ट है? दिस प्रोडक्ट इज $11. देन दिस इज बाय येटी. येटी इज अ ब्रांड. दिस प्रोडक्ट इज फ्रॉम येटी. प्रोडक्ट सेम है, ये कंपनी का है, ये नॉट वेल नोन कंपनी का है, ये ब्रांड का है, ये ब्रांड का नहीं है. कॉस्ट इज हाउ मच? $40. $11 वर्सेस $40. कौन सा ज्यादा बिक रहा है? विच वन इज सेलिंग मोर? सी नंबर ऑफ रिव्यूज, नंबर ऑफ रेटिंग्स हियर, ओनली 3000. even when it is selling an $11 product versus Yeti 58,000 ratings. 58,000 ratings, guys. How is this possible? Selling the same product of the same quality at 4 times the price. 4 times the price. Still got 58,000 ratings. Whereas Yeti only has 3,000 ratings. How is that possible? One simple thing, brand, guys. Brand. This was Alex Hormozi, $100 million CEO. You can go to YouTube and check out his this video, and you can watch this video entirely. Now this is one of our students, guys. This is one of our students, Pickle and Me. Grew from 100 followers to 100,000 followers. Grew from 100 followers to 1 lakh followers in just 90 days. 100 followers to 1 lakh followers in just 90 days. And along with working on her brand, she started her own design agency, which is now making 12 lakhs a month. Which is now making 12 lakhs a month, guys. 12 lakhs a month. Growing from 0 to 1 lakh followers in 90 days. How many of you actually want to see that growth for yourself? How many of you actually want to see that growth for yourself? And how many of you actually want to make 12 lakh rupees a month from your agency or your business? Please let me know. Please let me know. Please let me know. Awesome. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो, moving on. This is Gary Vee, another big guy on social media. He handles marketing for Coke and many big major brands in the world. Right? He also speaks on the same thing, but I'm not covering it here because we are short of time. Moving ahead, guys. Moving ahead. चल भाई. Now, some of you might be asking this question कि यार ठीक है, I am going to start freelancing, or I am already doing freelancing, I am going to start an agency. Is this the trending thing in the market? Is this the next big thing that is going to happen in the market? And let me give you an answer to that. With numbers. So outsourcing, which combines your freelancing and your agency work, is the future of work. Outsourcing is the future of work. And it has already been doing. Infosys, TCS, HCL, Accenture, all these consulting companies, they are built on outsourcing. Their main business model is outsourcing. They are agencies, nothing but fancy agencies. By the way, guys, if you don't know, these are nothing but fancy agencies. Right? And how can I say that this is the future of work? Let us look at some stats. 39% of US workforce is already working as outsourced vendors. Data by Forbes. I am not saying this. Forbes is saying this. 39% of US workforce is already working as outsourced vendors, either a freelancer or an agency. Outsourced vendors contributed $1.35 trillion. Not a million, not a billion, but $1 trillion to the US economy in annual earnings in 2022. Again, data by Forbes. This is not valuation, guys. ये valuation नहीं है startups की. ये actually पैसा है जो इन लोगों ने कमाया है या contribute किया है GDP में of the country. $1.35 trillion. At 60 million, outsourced vendors are poised to become the US majority workforce by 2027. 2027 तक जो majority जनता होगी US में, working force होगी, sorry, जो freelancers होंगे वो majority workforce को signify करेंगे, denote करेंगे. मतलब फुल टाइम प्रोफेशनल्स कम हो जाएंगे और फ्रीलांसर ज्यादा हो जाएंगे. दैट इज व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड. डेटा बाय फ्लेक्सिबल. Google's workforce has more outsourced vendors than permanent employees already. They have more freelancers and agencies, which is 54% as compared to their permanent employees that they have there. Data by flexible. 48% of businesses hired outsourced vendors in 2018, up from 43% in 2017. फ्रीलांस एंड एजेंसी प्लेटफॉर्म्स, ये फाइवर, अपवर्क और freelancer.com, जो सब भी freelancing platforms that you see, they were valued at $3 billion in 2020 and they're projected to grow to $12 billion by 2028. Growth of 4x. Growth of 4x in 8 years. Growing at a CAGR of 15%. 15% from 21 to 28. Data by LinkedIn. Data by LinkedIn, guys. And if you ask me, why is this all happening? Why people are moving towards freelancing? Why people want to go start freelancing or people want to hire freelancers? One simple answer to that question is market efficiency or arbitrage. What is that? None of us wants to use Chinese products, but still we have no option but to use Chinese products. Why is that? Because Chinese provide the same quality or similar quality for a cheaper price. तो एक प्रोडक्ट आपको मिल रहा है 100 रुपए का, दूसरी तरफ आपको प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है 20 रुपए का. Which one would you buy? If the quality is the same, which one would you pick up? Obviously 20 रुपए का खरीदोगे आप. और आपकी भी गलती नहीं है. The retailers, the distributors, the major companies, they all work in the same manner. They all move towards market efficiency. Everyone moves towards the market. Entire market moves towards the market efficiency. What is the market efficiency? You are able to create the same result, give the same output in lesser cost. So market always moves towards efficiency, irrespective of what the market is, whatever the efficiency is, it always moves towards efficiency. And where is the efficiency right now in freelancing or agency world? Moving from full-time employment to giving the work to a freelancer. How? Because let's imagine a business owner in US, if he has to get some work done, he will have to hire a full-time employee. With full-time employee, he will have to pay that person US salary, a salary which is comparative in US, so that he is able to find somebody. First problem. Second problem, he will have to give him benefits, medical insurance, this insurance, that insurance, holidays, falana dhamkana, pata nahi kya. Then he will have to provide him an office space. Then he will have to provide him laptop and also the more resources to work, to make him work. Plus, he will have to overlook him and see him and watch him if he is working or not. So why would somebody, a business owner, would want to go through all this nonsense? Why can't he hire somebody who is sitting in India, works at half the cost of the US employee, gives maybe better or similar results like the US employee? He doesn't have to pay medical premium for this person. He doesn't have to buy him a laptop. He doesn't have to make him sit in his office. Doesn't have to oversee him also. Why wouldn't somebody like a business owner in US not hire a freelancer over an employee? Anytime he will do that. That is why you see this change. That is why you are seeing these numbers. Why is Google hiring more freelancers as compared to permanent employees? Because they understand this efficiency. Now it's time that you also understand this efficiency and leverage this. Leverage this, guys. Leverage the arbitrage. Moving on. Now, how much can you make with freelancing or by building your agency? If you have that question, guys, how many of you want this question answered? How much can you actually make with freelancing or building your agency? How much can you actually make? Let me answer that question for you. Again with data. The average yearly salary for freelance content writers, not a very high skilled thing. Anyone can become a content writer today with AI. The average yearly salary for content writers stood at $63,000, which is 52 lakh rupees, and that was back in 2019 in the US. Data by ZipRecruiter. 23% of Indian freelancers, only talking about Indian freelancers, guys, not agency owners. 23% of Indian freelancers earn up to rupees 60 lakh per annum. This is a report by PayPal. And you know what PayPal does? All these freelancers, these agency owners, they use PayPal as a payment gateway to accept payments from the US or from outside India into their bank accounts. So PayPal has the actual data of what transactions are happening, and 23%, not 1%, 2% or 5%, not even 10%. 23% of Indian freelancers are making more than 60 lakh rupees per annum. Now imagine if you get inside that 23%. Imagine you get inside that first 10%. How much money you'll be able to make? And 60 lakh rupees, guys, per annum makes it 5 lakh rupees a month. 5 lakh rupees a month. How many jobs, full-time jobs, do we know in India which can give us that kind of money? Even after years, spending years and years in service, years and years in employment. Another data by Business Today. The mean income earned by Indian freelancers is rupees 20 lakhs per annum. Mean income. Mean income क्या मतलब हुआ? आधे लोग इसके ऊपर हैं. Half of the freelancers are above this mark, above 20 lakh rupees mark. Half of the people are below 20 lakh rupees mark. Now just imagine if using these strategies, you are able to get in the first 23%, you'll be able to make 60 lakh rupees. If let's say you do not even get to 23%, if you are even able to get into the first 50%, आधे लोगों को तो पीछे कर सकते हो भाई इन strategies से. Even if you are able to get to first 50%, you will still be able to make 20 lakh rupees per annum. 20 lakh rupees per annum, guys, with your freelancing as an add-on to your job, to whatever you are doing. So why are we not doing this? Why are we not leveraging this? When we know freelancers, agencies are making so much money, why are we not leveraging our skills and getting clients for ourselves? That is the question I have for you guys. I have for you. But now, if you really want to grow this business, if you really want to start freelancing and you are really serious and you want to build your brand, then you need to know a few more things apart from what we have covered in the workshop. Because obviously we cannot cover everything in so much less time. So what more you need to know, guys, is how to make a sales machine to make clients come to you instead of you going after them. What we saw is when we are reaching out to clients, when you reach out to clients, you are not able to charge them premium. But when clients come to you, you are able to charge premium. There is a huge difference when a client is coming to you versus you going to the client. Huge difference. Not just in terms of money, but also in terms of engagement, business engagement. You act like a partner when the client is coming to you. You act like a vendor when you are going to the client. How to make that sales machine so that clients come to you. Then second point is how to get high paying clients on autopilot without emailing them, without sending them DMs and doing all this manual work. So what we have seen, find out your target companies, find out the names and contact details of the target companies, right? Find out one good thing, two bad things about the target company, write them emails, send these emails to them. This is all a manual approach. It includes a lot of time and effort. A lot of time and effort goes into it. But how? How can we build a system so that we start getting these high paying clients on autopilot without even emailing them, without even sending them DMs? Yes, there is a way to do that. There is a way to do that, and you need to learn and implement that for yourself so that you sit relaxed and clients keep on coming to you. Clients keep on coming to you. Then how to scale your business 10x using the power of social media. We haven't been able to cover social media at all in the workshop. But social media has the power of making your business grow 10x. And how to retain your clients. The business model is about retaining clients, not about acquiring new clients every day. Guys, you are in the agency or the freelancing world. Here, the business is about retaining clients and not acquiring new clients every day. Let me give you a scenario. Let's say you onboard 2 new clients every month. Only 2 new clients every month. Each client, let's say, pays you 50,000 rupees per month. So, first month you got 2 clients. How much are they paying you? 50,000 plus 50,000. 1 lakh rupees. Then comes second month. Second month you again got 2 new clients. How much total you are making now? 1 lakh rupees from earlier clients. 1 lakh rupees now from new clients. 2 lakh rupees a month. In just 2 months of starting. 2 lakh rupees a month. Let's say you go into the third month. Right? You go into third month, you add 2 new clients to your portfolio. How much are you making now? 6 lakh rupees. Sorry, 3 lakh rupees from 6 clients. Now let's say all your earlier clients leave you. The 4 clients that you had earlier, they leave you high and dry. They left you high and dry. Now again you are back to 1 lakh rupees. So the business is not about adding more clients, the business is about retaining clients. So you should know and you should have the strategies, you should learn how to retain your clients. That also you should know in order to go up from 1 lakh to 2 lakh to 3 lakh to 4 lakh a month to 5 lakh a month to 6 lakhs a month. That is the idea. If you are able to retain your clients, that journey would be really smooth. Then how to frame your offer to really charge high ticket instead of just 10 to 15,000 per project which you are charging right now. How to frame your offer to charge high ticket instead of charging 10 to 15,000 rupees per project that you are doing right now. And you can do this even without having a brand, guys. How amazing is that? You can do this, you can charge high ticket even without having a brand. You also need to know how to build your brand on Instagram and LinkedIn. LinkedIn is what gives you high value project, the authority, the credibility. Instagram is what gives you volumes of social proof and impact and power. How to create content on autopilot. Guys, most of you might have seen my videos on Instagram. I create 14 videos. I create 14 videos a week. एक हफ्ते में मैं 14 वीडियोस बनाता हूँ, शूट करता हूँ. And how much time do you think it takes me to create those videos, those 14 videos? How much time you think it takes me to create those 14 videos? Let me blow your mind again. Let me blow your mind again. It only takes me 2 hours in a week to create these 14 videos. Because I'm creating content on autopilot. There is a framework to that, there is a system to that. And you need to know this system, you need to learn this system, guys. Point number 8, how to find the right niche for your content. Some niche and formats grow faster than the others. How to find the right niche for your freelancing, how to find the right domain, how to find the right market for your freelancing and agency. You need to know that. What should be the messaging in your content? So if I give you an example, if you are, let's say, saying this in your videos or in your content, I will help you to earn money, versus you are saying I will help you to make money. In both the cases, the kind of people coming to you would be very different. If you are saying how to earn money, the kind of people that are going to come to you, they would not have the paying capacity. They would not have the paying capacity. Versus, because they are coming to make that 1 rupee online. Versus if you say how to make money online, people who are going to come to you, they would be making something and they want to make additional money. They will have the paying capacity. They will have the knowledge. They will want to do what you want them to do. Just the difference of one word can actually change what you are selling and how you are scaling and what you are doing. Then how to go viral on social media, how to increase watch time, share, saves of your videos so to go viral, and how to effectively use social media to get clients organically. How can you get clients from social media? You need to know all of these things. EMs and DMs is one thing that we have covered, guys. Only one thing. Now where we are, guys, right now, our business is struggling or we are not doing any business, we do not have a brand right now. Where we want to go is we need to 10x our income. We want to create a huge brand for ourselves, right? Because we want to build a brand empire, and we want money freedom as well as time freedom. पैसा भी की freedom चाहिए. Whatever we want to buy, we just go ahead and buy it without even thinking twice that should we buy it or not. Wherever we want to spend for our family, we should be able to spend. Wherever we want to travel, we should be able to travel without even thinking twice. That is the money freedom. What is time freedom? That I should be able to take a leave when I want to. I should be able to work when I want to. Nobody on my head should be sitting on my head and telling me to do something. That is time freedom. That is time freedom. And all of us need time and money freedom both. Say yes if you need that. Say yes if you need that. Now, what we have covered so far, guys, what we have covered so far is the foundation. We have covered the foundation part so far. What we more need to cover now is how to get clients on autopilot. How to get clients on autopilot. How to build your brand. How to generate leads on autopilot. How to run ads. How to build systems. How to build a sales system. How to build a marketing system. How to build a hiring system. How to build a client delivery system. And ultimately, how to charge high ticket from the same clients. How to charge high ticket, high prices from the same clients. So we have covered foundation part, but we haven't been able to cover all these things. Now, Now, if you want to learn all these things, if you want to not just learn and implement all these things, I have two options. Okay? Option number one is I give you a course, you take that course, you go through that course, right? Use that course, apply to that course, and I know it will take you 3 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months to go through that course. Then when you start applying it, the market would have changed, would have transformed, the strategies would not apply anymore, and you will struggle. That is option number one. Option number two is, let's say we do not do this through a course. We do not do this through a course. We learn, and not just learn, we implement everything. We implement everything with me, where I am showing my screen to you. I am doing things on my screen, and you just have to follow stepwise and implement the same systems for your business, for your freelancing or for your agency. Implement the same things, and we do all of this, and learn all of these things in just 3 days. In just 3 days, guys. Not a course, not 6 months, not 3 months, not even a month, not even a week. We cover and learn and implement all of these things with me live in just 3 days. In just 3 days. Now, if you want to do this, if you are interested to do this, if you want to build these things, if you want to make crores of money from this business, if you want to create a brand, what I have for you guys, what I have for you is a 3-day live boot camp. 3-day live boot camp with me to grow your business and brand in the shortest possible time. In the shortest possible time. 3-day live boot camp. When are we going to do this? These are the dates. These are the dates, guys. These are the dates. These are the dates. We are going to sit together on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. for 3 hours each day. Friday 3 hours, Saturday 3 hours, Sunday 3 hours. Total 9 hours. On these dates. Now, you could be somebody who really wants to do this, but हो सकता है कि आप available ना हो सकता है आपसे कुछ मिस हो जाए, हो सकता है आपने एक दिन मिस कर दिया. If anything of that sort happens, I am going to give you guys recording of the entire session, recordings of the entire session, not for 1 month, not for 2 months, not even for 3 months, forever and ever and ever. तो जो भी हम 3 दिन में कवर करेंगे, we are going to record everything live and you will get the recording on the same day. फ्राइडे को जो भी चीजें हुई, फ्राइडे को आपके पास रिकॉर्डिंग आ जाएगी. सैटरडे को जो भी चीजें हुई, सैटरडे को आपके पास रिकॉर्डिंग आ जाएगी. संडे को जो भी चीजें हुई, संडे को आपके पास रिकॉर्डिंग आ जाएगी. और तीनों दिन की रिकॉर्डिंग आपके पास रहेंगी हमेशा के लिए. हमेशा के लिए, गाइस. नेक्स्ट से still if you have questions, still if you miss this session, still आप नहीं कर पाए, I will give you an opportunity to attend this boot camp again with me whenever we are going to do this next. Just inform my team कि भाई मैं इस दिन attend नहीं कर पाया हूं, मुझे फिर से live attend करना है. Just give that information to my team and I will allow you to attend the boot camp again with me whenever we are holding it next. Simple है, sorted है guys, sorted है. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. and these are the dates. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. for 3 hours each day, and we are going to build everything live with me. Everything live with me. And what are we exactly going to do in these 3 days? Let me answer that question for you. So day 1 would be on business growth and scaling. First of all, we will create and set up system to get clients for you. Setting up your landing page, setting up your VSL script, setting up bonuses and launching. Then I will give you a strategy how to get 10 clients in 3 days. 10 high paying clients in 3 days. Guys, how will you get 10 high paying clients in 3 days is the next thing we are going to cover. Then I am going to share you strategies with you so that you are able to get your clients at the minimum cost possible. Let's say you are spending 10,000 rupees to get one client versus you are spending just 100 rupees to get one client. Imagine the two scenarios. In the first scenario, you will never be able to build a big business. You will never be able to build a big business because you will have to spend so much money, let's say 1 lakh rupees just to get 10 clients versus you have to spend only 1,000 rupees to get 10 clients. Which business is better? Which business is more scalable? Which business will make you more money? Absolutely the second one. So I will give you my strategies on how to attract these clients for the lowest cost possible. Then I will give you a hack on how you can generate leads, 2000 leads in just 2 minutes, guys. I will give you a hack on how to generate 2000 leads in 2 minutes on automation. On automation. So at the end of day one, the idea is that business scaling should be sorted. At the end of day one, the business scaling part should be sorted. You should be able to start, get clients and grow your business after day one itself. This is another case study that we have, guys. Ritvik Sharma, he went from 1 lakh rupees a month to 1 CR, 1 crore in just 90 days, in just 3 months. He was stuck with 10 to 12 low paying clients for years, had no time for business growth, had no bandwidth for more clients because he was doing everything manually. He was doing the sales manually. I can't even tell you how he was working. He was making 1 lakh rupees a month, great, but with 10 to 12 low paying clients and was unable to grow because he did not have the time and bandwidth to think and grow. Followed our strategies, attended this boot camp, followed our strategies and grew to 1 crore rupees, guys. 1 crore rupees in just 90 days using the same strategies. This is day one for you. This is just day one. What are we going to cover in day two? AI and automation. How AI works. Understand how AI works. How these different systems on Netflix, on Google, how these things work. How AI bots work. How AI agents work. Upskill yourself and make your business future proof. By learning how AI is working, make your job future proof if you are into a job. That is one thing that we are going to cover. Another thing is automation. How to set up systems so that you can get the real time freedom that you are looking for. You can just sit and relax and everything, your entire business runs on its own. Your entire business runs on its own. Plus, you can apply the same automation for the company you are working for. You can apply the same automation for them as well, and that would give you make you earn so many brownie points that I can't even tell you. I have testimonials from my students who have applied the same automations in their organizations, and their managers have given them a promotion, have given them a hike, have given them compliments in town halls. All those things were happened because people do not know how much automation can help them. And by the way, guys, this is all non-technical. You do not need to be technical to do these things. You do not have to code anywhere. These are just drag and drop tools that I will show you on how to build for your system and for your companies. Then what are we going to cover? Professional branding using AI. How to create your brand using AI tools. How to generate content, how to build content, how to post content. Plus, we are also going to cover a lot more AI tools which will help you to not employ a team, not hire a lot of people, but just use AI tools to save you money, to save you effort and still get the same result. This is what we are going to cover in day 2, guys. And at the end of day 2, the idea is the entire AI and the entire automation should be sorted. The AI and automation should be sorted, guys. Another set of results, guys. Another set of results. This is Ashish. He went from just 50,000 rupees per month to 73 lakh rupees per in revenue. Shilpa, a housewife, started from zero. She was working in a corporate job. She left her corporate due to her personal reasons. She again wanted to get back after 2 years of gap or 3 years of gap. No corporate wanted to take her back. She started her own freelancing journey, her own agency, and scaled to 42 lakh rupees, guys. From zero to 42 lakh rupees. From being a housewife to becoming the businesswoman. Raima, from 20 lakhs to rupees 1.2 crores. From 20 lakhs rupees job to rupees 1.2 crores. Then we have Neha, from 50,000 rupees per month to 56 lakh rupees. 15,000 rupees from a normal basic IT company to 56 lakh rupees. And the same results are possible for you as well. The same results are possible for you as well if you understand the science behind what to do and how to do it. Otherwise, you could be spending years and still will not reach here. That is the problem. Day 3. What we are going to cover in day 3, guys, is LinkedIn and Instagram. So LinkedIn, how to create authority and build credibility on LinkedIn and Instagram. Now, there are 2 kinds of influencers, guys. One are the influencers who create content for views. The others are the experts. Now, if you are building a brand, do not build an influencer brand. Build an expert brand. And there is a huge difference between building these two brands. How you create content, what kind of content you create, what kind of content you post, and the growth strategies of these two are really, really, really different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to help you to create authority building, credibility building content for your LinkedIn and for your Instagram. So LinkedIn and Insta authority building machine, 0 to 100k followers formula for Instagram. So I grew my own Instagram account from 100 followers to 1 million followers in just 1 year, guys. 100 followers to 1 million followers in just 1 year. I share the same strategies with you that has helped me to grow to 1 million in 1 year. I share the same strategies with you that you can employ for yourself and grow viral. Then I also share with you 0 to 10,000 viral LinkedIn strategy. And I'm going to share with you a system on how I run my 3 businesses together. And still, I can chill whenever I want. I have the time freedom. I have the money freedom. How can you do it too? How can you run multiple systems, businesses together? Still not worry about anything in the world. So I'm going to share these secrets with you on day 3, and at the end of day 3, your LinkedIn and Instagram should be sorted. Your LinkedIn and your Instagram should be sorted, guys. That is the idea. And if you're still not happy with day 1, business scaling, day 2, AI and automation, day 3, LinkedIn and Instagram, if you're still not happy, this is what more you get, guys. This is what more you get. A list of 1,000 profitable niches to help you pick the right niche for you. List of 1,000 profitable niches to help you pick the right niche for you. Cost for this is 7,000 rupees. I, along with my team, has built this. We have gone through and analyzed all the hot niches, all the hot market domains there are right now. You can pick one. If you're still confused about which skill to pick, which market to go after, you can just close your eyes, pick one, any one of these profitable niches where you feel that you are confident, and start giving your service in that niche. As simple as that. Now this bonus is 7,000 rupees. Imagine if you are doing a business or creating content in the wrong niche. No matter what you do, you would never be able to grow because of low demand. जो आप बेच रहे हो वो लोग सुनना ही नहीं चाहते, जो आप बेच रहे हो वो लोग खरीदना ही नहीं चाहते, कितना भी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट हो, कितनी भी अच्छी सर्विस हो, you are never be able to make money. You will never be able to make money. As simple as that. So why not, I'm giving this to you in front of you. Pick something which has high demand right now, which is growing right now, which is trending right now. We have done the market research for that. Pick any one thing that goes along with your skills. Start doing it. Even if you do a bad job doing it, you will still make money because there is so much demand in the market and there is no supply. It's a game of demand and supply. This is the first bonus for you guys. Absolutely free for you. Another bonus, digital magnet landing page template to attract the right audience towards you easily. Now, whatever websites I am using, to get my clients for myself, I share the same website with you. I share the same website with you. Just need to change the text, change the picture, and you are good to launch your website. You're good to launch your website. Cost for this is 15,000 rupees, but this is free for you for lifetime. Now just imagine if you hire somebody, a freelancer or an agency, to develop this website for you. This website contains 2 to 3 pages, 4 pages or something. If you hire somebody, a freelancer or even an agency to do this for you, who have experience and who can create a website who gets in loads and lakhs of visits from users every day, then they are at least on the minimum going to charge you 25,000 to 35,000 rupees. But I'm going to give this absolutely free to you along with the bootcamp. This is going to be with you for free along with the bootcamp, guys. Another bonus for you. You get a list of 300 viral reel templates. I have created reel templates for myself which work from my own successful reels, from the successful reels of others on Instagram. I, along with my team, have created these 300 viral reel templates, and I use them to create my own reels, which helps me to save time. I'm going to share the same reel templates with you, same viral reel templates with you, so that you can create and go viral in no time. Cost for this is 28,000 rupees. Cost for this is 28,000 rupees, because this can really be a game changer for you guys. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely for free for you. Absolutely for free for you. Now, even just out of this 300, let's say out of these 300, even just 30 reels go viral. Even just 30 reels go viral for you. Right? And with virality for you, I'm not talking about millions of views and 10 million views. I'm only talking about 1 lakh views. Even just 30 reels receive 1 lakh views each. That is 30 lakh views. And even if you are able to make just 10 paisa from one single view, just 10 paisa from one single view, 3 lakh rupees in, 3 lakh रुपए तो आपने ऐसे कमा लिए, just by following viral reel templates, 300 viral reel templates. And this is absolutely, absolutely, absolutely for free for you. Next, very, 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 very impactful and great bonus, guys. I am going to share my own sales script with you. My own sales script. So when you are sitting in front of your client, use this script. Use this script. You do not even have to fill in the blanks. Just use the script as it is. Ask the questions I have told you. Frame your service in the similar format and pitch it to the client. But you know the true power of this sales script. You know the true power of this sales script. You can hand out the same sales script to your salespeople. You can hire a sales intern. You can hire a salesperson. Give them the same sales script and ask them to start making sales. Ask them to start making sales. This is the biggest impact. This will give you the biggest impact in terms of your time freedom, where you can sit chilling and your team is going to bring in sales for you using this same script. And by the way, guys, we are still using this same sales script. This has generated crores in monthly revenue for us in sales. The same sales script. We have created this sales script after combining many different sales script that we have. After going through many calls, I think my team so far might have gone through 15,000 or 20,000 sales calls. 20,000 sales calls. I am giving this 20,000 sales call optimized sales script to you for your future, not for 35,000 rupees. The actual cost for this could be 35,000 rupees, but going to give this to you absolutely for free for lifetime. Absolutely for free for lifetime. Now imagine you hire a salesperson and that salesperson brings in 5 lakh rupees of sales for you every month using this sales script. Let's say you hire a new salesperson. Now you have 2 salesperson. Now these 2 salesperson will bring in 5 lakhs plus 5 lakh sales for you, 10 lakh rupees. Now let's say you hire third salesperson. This third salesperson would again bring in additional 5 lakh rupees for you, 15 lakh rupees a month. This is exactly how you scale your business. And at the end, it is not about how many clients you can get. It is about how many salespeople you can get and hire. How many good salespeople you can get and hire, so that they can bring in sales for you and make money for you. So using this sales scripts give you time freedom, because you do not have to do the sales anymore. It gives you scalability, because you can hire anyone, hand them the sales script and they can start selling from day one, guys, from day one. This is the power of sales script. This is a game changer for you guys. Now, one more bonus, guys. 28 plus no effort hooky captions to create multiple viral reels. Now just imagine, just by adding this additional one hooky line in the captions can increase the watch time for your videos by 2 seconds. Just by 2 seconds, how viral your videos can go. Because if somebody goes through the first line and figures out, oh, I should read the entire caption, 2 seconds gone. Additional 2 seconds watch time for your videos would change the game of your videos from, let's say, 100 views to 10,000 views, or from 10,000 views to 1 lakh views. The game is only for 2 seconds. Cost for this is 2,800 rupees. This is again free for you for lifetime. Guys, free for you for lifetime. Another bonus. Let me give you one more thing, guys. So what we saw earlier was just one email that we use. That was just one email out of multiple emails that we used to get clients. And that was so powerful. Imagine more such emails that you can use to get clients for yourself. And I am going to share the same set of emails that we write to our clients to get top brands for us. It could be Uber, it could be Zomato, it could be Swiggy. We use the same emails. I'm going to share the same email templates with you. You can use the same email templates and get clients for yourself, guys. Get clients for yourself. Cost is rupees 12,000 and this is again free for you for lifetime. Now just imagine if you hire a good copywriter, a good email writer who knows what he is doing, who understands how to get clients using email. That experienced email writer is at least going to charge you 20 to 25,000 rupees. 20 to 25,000 rupees to write these proven emails for you. But you're getting these absolutely for free, guys. Absolutely for free. Then what we have? Another bonus. One more bonus, guys. One more bonus. Landing page import link to help you get started with zero technical knowledge. Let's say you do not have any technical knowledge. It is completely fine. I will give you a link. You just click on the link. You can do that. You can click on the link. You just click on the link and the entire website would get imported for you. And you will be ready to go. You'll be ready to launch and find clients for yourself. Find clients for yourself. Cost for this import link is 10,000 rupees. Again free for you for lifetime. Again free for you for lifetime. Now if you find somebody, if you are non-technical, you just need a link to import the landing page. You need zero tech skills, you need zero knowledge. And by the way, guys, this link is going to be with you forever. So the point is, you can't just create one website. You can create one website today, second website tomorrow, third website day after tomorrow, fourth website next month, fifth website next month, so on and so forth. You can create multiple websites from one single link, which is going to stay with you forever and ever and ever. As simple as that. How crazy is that? Even after a year, you want to explore some other idea, you want to do something else, you already have your website import link ready. Click on it, a new website is created for you. As simple as that. As simple as that. Some more eye-opening results, guys, I have for you. Some more eye-opening results. Here is one of our students, Sushant Dev. We got 30 lakh rupees each client in just 10 days. 30 lakh rupees clients. He was stuck at 2 lakh rupees per month for 18 years. How much is that? 25 lakh rupees. He was stuck at 24 lakh rupees of income for 18 years, 18 long years. And he was unable to grow from there. He was unable to grow from there. He got 2 high-ticket clients. 2 high-ticket clients, not one. 2 high-ticket clients of 30 lakhs each in just 10 days. In just 10 days of starting, guys. In just 10 days of starting. And you can do it too. Some more eye-opening results, guys. Akshat Tongia, 200,000 followers on Instagram. One of our students, 200,000 followers. Ujjwal Pava, 829,000 followers. Charan Verma, 526,000 followers. 5 lakh followers. 8 lakh followers. 2 lakh followers. You might be following some of these people already. Soumya Singh, 4 lakh followers. Grow with Aryan, almost 3 lakh followers. Pickle and Me, we have already seen her. 1,45,000 followers. Paritosh Anand, 4,65,000 followers. Real Estate with Mayank, 880,000 followers. 880,000 followers. 9 lakh followers almost. 9 lakh followers. The same results are possible for you. The same results are possible for you, guys. And let me summarize everything here. So we are going to do the 3-day live bootcamp, guys, to help you grow your business and your brand in the shortest possible time. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. And the cost for this bootcamp used to be 89,000. It used to be 89,000 because we used to do this bootcamp in an offline event. We used to do an offline event where we took you through the entire thing, and we used to do it offline, which included all the hotel fees, the expenses, the food expenses, etc., etc., etc. But we are not doing it offline anymore. We are only doing it online now. We are only doing it now to make it inclusive for more and more people. As simple as that. As simple as that. And the launch offer is, guys, and the launch offer that I'm going to give you, that the launch offer is, if you buy a ticket for your bootcamp, you can bring in 3 more people. You can bring in 3 additional people with you to attend this bootcamp. not just you. So it's a 1+3 offer. If you buy the ticket for yourself, you get 3 more tickets. It is as simple as that. So you can bring in your team, you can bring in your partner, you can bring in your family, you can bring in your parents, you can bring in your sibling, whoever you want to bring, you can bring in your friends, whoever you want to bring, feel free to bring them. So what you are getting is a 1+3 offer, plus you are getting a recording of all the 3 days for lifetime. And this is the launch offer for you guys. This is not going to be there. This is not going to be there from now on. This is the only time we are giving this offer. 1+3 offer plus a recording of 3 days, because this is a launch offer. Now I have another offer for you guys. I have another offer. And this is a special offer only for the first 8 people, guys. We have so many people in the room. If you are interested and if you want to go do this boot camp, the seats are going to go away like this. The seats are going to go away like this. The moment I give you the link, the seats are going to go away. And why it is only for the first 8 people? Because see guys, in the 3 days, I cannot handle hundreds of people together, because I'll be doing it live. And I'll be making you do things live. If I'm handling 800 people, 1000 people there in the workshop, nobody would be able to do anything. So I need very limited people, so that I'm able to help you one-on-one basis, answer your queries and help you move ahead. So I can only help 8 people, guys. I can only help the first 8 people. So this offer that I'm going to give you now, is only for the first 8 people. For the first 8 people. And the cost for this program, the cost for this bootcamp, the fee for this bootcamp is not 89,000 rupees, guys. It's not 89,000 rupees. I'm giving you a 95.6% discount. A 95.6% discount, and what you need to pay is not 89,000 rupees, but just this amount. Just this amount, which is inclusive of GST. There is no GST on top of it. There is no GST on top of this amount. You only have to pay this amount. Only have to pay this amount for 1+3 offer to get a recording of 3 days, if and only if you are in the first 8 people. And what you are getting in between: day 1, business scaling and growth, where we will be setting autopilot systems for you. We will be helping you getting 10 clients in 3 days. Day 1. Day 2, AI and automation. How to write AI prompts the best way. How to use AI tools the best way. How to create automations for yourself and for your companies. Day 2 covered. Day 3, branding. Instagram and LinkedIn. Day 3, branding. How to use AI tools to create content for yourself and create a brand, create a huge brand. That is day 3 for you. Plus, you get 1+3 offer, plus you get a recording of 3 days, plus you get 300 viral reel templates, guys. Plus you get 28 plus no effort hooky caption. Plus you get a list of 1000 profitable niches, which are really in demand right now. Digital magnet landing page template, which I am using for myself, which drives in lakhs and lakhs of people every day towards my products. Lakhs and lakhs of people every day towards my product. Money making sales script to give you the actual time and money freedom. Eye-opening proven email templates. One example we saw, there are so many that I'll be sharing with you. There will be so many that I'm sharing with you. And the landing page import link. And these things are absolutely for free for you. Absolutely for free for you. How can you pay now? How can you pay? My team is going to drop a link in the chat. My team is going to drop a link in the chat. Please use that link to pay. Please use that link to pay. Please use that link to pay. How is it going to happen? How is it going to happen? Just click on that link. Just click on that link and you will be able to come to my Razor Pay. Click on that link, guys. Click on that link. Here you will be able to see the fee. What is the fee? Here, please enter your name. Please enter your name, whatever it is, abc@gmail.com. Your phone number, whatever your phone number is. Your state. Why do we need your state? Because we need to create a GST invoice. That is why we need your state. You select a program which is 3-day live bootcamp. You click on pay. You click on pay. You click on pay. And you move ahead. You click on pay and you move ahead. You can scan this UPI code if you want to pay via UPI. You can pay via cards. You can pay via EMI. You can pay via net banking. You can pay using wallets. Whatever you are comfortable with. If you do not have the money, you can take up EMIs on your credit cards. We also have cardless offers. If you want to pay via UPI, feel free. Most smoothest transaction ever. Go ahead with UPI, pay it right now. First 3 seats gone, guys. First 3 seats gone. Got a notification. First 3 seats gone, guys. First 3 seats gone. Now from 8, only 5 seats are left. If you want to move ahead and build the business of your dreams, build a brand for yourself, this is the time. Do not miss this opportunity. Do not miss this opportunity. Only for the first 8 people, guys. Only for the first 8 people. I'm really sorry, we cannot entertain more people once the 8 slots are gone. We will not be able to entertain more people in the boot camp once the 8 slots are gone. And this amount is not a lot. It's not a lot. If it transforms your business, if it helps you transform your business, if it changes what you are doing, this is not a big amount to pay, guys. Not a big amount to pay at all. Yes, we are going to do everything live, guys. We are going to do everything live along with me. I'll be there live with you. I'll be answer your questions, and I will not move ahead unless all your questions are answered. I will not move ahead in the boot camp unless all your questions are answered, guys. And guys, this is Pragati, who made 3 lakh rupees with just zero investment. 3 lakh rupees with zero investment following our strategies. Now, let's hear out what she has to say.
So basically, मैं 50,000 आपका मान के चलूं तो 3 लाख रुपए का आपने बैच बना लिया.
हाँ.
लगभग, which is very good. Clap for you. बहुत बढ़िया.
And also I'm very happy कि इसमें मेरे एक भी पैसे नहीं लगे हैं. So like investment is nil and then this is high.
That is really amazing. Okay, प्रगति बताइए क्या अपडेट है, क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
मेरा तो अभी वो स्टार्ट हो गया है जो मेरे कोर्स था. I think 6 people have enrolled. So that is good. अभी मैं सोच रही थी कि मेरे ना एक्चुअली आई डिड नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन एनी ऑफ दीज. मेरा एक रील वायरल हो गया था तो उसी से लोग आते गए सो देयर वाज नो इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि उस रील को थोड़ा सा बूस्ट भी कर दूं और डिफरेंट स्टाइल से. जैसे मैंने आपके जो एड्स आ रहे हैं ना वीकली एड्स, तो मैं उससे आई एम गेटिंग सम आइडिया कि अब क्या करना है. सो मैं सोची थी वैसे ही कुछ वीकली प्लेसमेंट कर दूं उसके लिए कि वो एआई वाला है. तो आई अंडरस्टूड दैट हाउ डिफरेंटली आई हैव टू आल्सो प्लेस थिंग्स सो दैट पीपल अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरा क्या रोल है rather than having एक ही वीडियो एड.
मतलब अलग अलग एंगल से आप बना रहे हो जो आप कह रहे हो. अंडरस्टूड. तो आपकी रील वायरल गई है, क्या कितने फॉलोअर्स है, सॉरी कितने व्यूज गए उस पे?
मेरे 2-3 गए. कोई तो मेरा 80 पॉइंट समथिंग गया है.
80,000?
हाँ 85.1 के गया है और एक मेरा 31 और एक 42 के 35 के 31 के.
नाइस. और इसमें आपने क्या सीटीए क्या दिया हुआ है?
मैंने कुछ नहीं. एक में तो मैंने लिखा कि कमेंट पीडीसीपी और बाकी में मैंने उनके वो पेन पॉइंट्स को हिट किया था.
बट कुछ लोग कमेंट कर रहे हैं उस पे या क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं कर रहे. मतलब हाउ आर दे कमिंग इनटू योर फनल?
कैप्शंस में मैंने डाल रही हूँ. एक दो मैं तो डायरेक्टली बोल रही हूँ कि इमोशनल एंगल दिया मैंने कि देखो हमारे तो ये कोर्सेज हैं एंड वी आर नहीं कोर्सेज है मतलब हम तो आप लोग का सोच रहे हैं बिकॉज ये प्रॉब्लम मुझे भी हुई थी और इसलिए प्रॉब्लम को गैप करने के लिए मैंने ये कोर्स निकाले. मैंने अपनी टीम को भी बोल दिया ऐसे करने. सो दैट वाज द हुक. लोगों ने कैप्शन पढ़ा एंड वहीं से आ रहे हैं लोग मोस्टली.
तो वहां से आपको डीएम करते हैं फिर?
हाँ.
ओके, देन डीएम से आप गूगल फॉर्म भरवा रहे हो या सीधा लेके आ रहे हो?
नहीं हाँ वही मैनी चैट से गूगल फॉर्म करवा के फिर अपने.
Got it. So 6 स्टूडेंट्स आपके वो 45,000 वाले प्रोग्राम के हो गए.
तो उसमें भी आई वाज एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद द प्राइसिंग. तो किसी ने 47 दिया, किसी ने 60 दिया, किसी ने 45 दिया. हाँ तो मैं वैसे इंक्रीज कर रही हूँ. तो मैं सोची थी इसके 1-2 और रिकॉर्डेड क्लास हो जाते ना तो मैं थोड़ा सा वहां से प्रमोट करके और लोगों को पीडीसीपी के नाम मतलब जो कोर्स है उस नाम से 1-2 रील्स पे उनके फीडबैक्स मंगवा लूं और फिर मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे प्रमोट करा लूं.
हाँ, सो आप यूजीसी एड्स भी कर सकते हो. दीज आर कॉल्ड यूजीसी एड्स. जिसमें आप लोगों का इंटरव्यू लेके कि क्या लग रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है, क्या लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो गया, कहाँ अटके हुए थे, आप क्या कर रहे हो, उस तरह से एक छोटा सा क्लिप शूट करके चाहे 1 मिनट का उसको कट 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 करके रील्स के फॉर्मेट में या तो ऐसा रील भी डाल सकते हो आप, उसको एज एन एड भी चला सकते हो। तो पहले उस बंदे को दिखा दिया, उसके बाद आप आ गए उस वीडियो में कि अगर आपको भी इन्हीं की तरह।
So guys, this is Pragati, and by the way guys, the same strategies you can replicate for yourself and make a lot of money and can start making a lot of money, but only if guys you take the action now. There are only a few seats left now. Before all the seats are go away, please click on the link and pay now. Please click on the link and pay now. Who is this for? Who is this for? Are you the right people for this? Who is this for? So guys, people who are looking to get international clients or Indian clients, this is for you. If you are trying to get international clients or Indian clients, this is for you. Even if you are looking to get an international remote job, basically working in US, staying in India, working for a US company, even if you want to get an international remote job, this bootcamp is for you, because I am going to share strategies for getting clients plus for getting remote jobs. Plus, if you are a working professional, if you are a coach, if you are an expert, if you are an agency owner, if you are a consultant, if you are a freelancer, if you are a service provider, if you are into information, if you are a content creator, this boot camp is for you. This boot camp is exactly for you, to help you increase your income. To help you increase your income. Another seat gone, guys. Another 2 seats gone, guys. 5 seats gone. 5 seats gone now. 21 are left. 21 are left, guys. 21 seats are left. Please move ahead. Please move ahead and make the payment now. Make the payment now. Make the payment now, guys. These are some more examples that we have. My phone is constantly buzzing with follower notifications. My last video just blew up, and so far it has already given me 5,000 followers. Sad thing, can't use my phone though. So what happens is, once you start going viral, you start on getting for follower notifications. Now that is a really great feeling that okay, follower, but you are unable to use your phone because your phone gets stuck because of all the notification back to back notifications that you keep on getting. So that is a really amazing feeling to have. 10,000 followers in first 10 days. Never thought this was possible. Blowing up. My account is going crazy. 25,000 followers in just one night. एक रात में 25,000 followers. Who all wants this result for themselves? Who all want this result for themselves? Who all want this result for themselves, guys? 25,000 followers in just one night. If you want these results, please go ahead and pay for the bootcamp. Please go ahead and pay for the bootcamp. 50,000 followers and 2 lakh rupees in revenue in just month 1. In just month 1. पहले महीने में ही 50,000 follower growth plus 2 lakh rupees in revenue in just month 1. Same results you can get for yourself. Same results you can get for yourself. Now, if you are still not happy, let's say यार अब ये मजा नहीं आया, और कुछ चाहिए मुझे, then I have really something special for you. Really something special for you, only for the people who are attending this workshop now. Not for people जिन्होंने attend कर लिया, not for people जो attend करने वाले हैं. ये सिर्फ अभी के लिए है, आपके लिए है. If you pay now, if you pay for the bootcamp now, ठीक है? Only for now. What more you get is a feedback and a Q&A session. A feedback and a Q&A session. When are we going to do this? 3 दिन का bootcamp हो गया. Bootcamp के एक हफ्ते बाद we are again going to meet. Whatever questions you have till then, ask those questions from me directly live. I will come in the session online. I will answer all your queries there. Most of the times this is a testimonial session where we collect testimonials because people already have started getting results. People already have started getting clients. But still, if you have questions, I am there and I am going to do this session for you. Again, this session is absolutely for free for you. This session is going to be absolutely for free for you guys. For free. Another bonus. After 3 weeks of a 3-day, I'm again going to do a scalability session with you. A scalability session. What is the scalability session? Where I am going to share strategies with you that is going to take you further along your way. If you are making 2 to 3 lakh rupees from your clients, how to go from 2 to 3 lakh rupees to 7 to 8 lakh rupees. If you started making 7 to 8 lakh rupees, how to go from 7 to 8 lakh rupees to 14 to 15 lakh rupees. these strategies, these concepts I am going to uncover in the scalability session which is going to take place after 3 weeks of 3 days. तो 3 दिन किया हमने, 3 days किया बूट कैम्प, उसके 1 हफ्ते बाद we have a Q&A session, उसके भी 3 हफ्ते बाद we have a scalability session. So for a month, 1.5 months you are covered. कोई भी डाउट्स, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आती है, 1.5 months I will be there with you, taking these sessions with you. You can ask those questions and clarify your doubts with me during those sessions. Guys. So what you are getting, a feedback session after 7 days, a scalability session after 3 weeks. Again, absolutely for free for you along with the bootcamp. I have another testimonial from 10 lakhs to 5 crores, from 10 lakhs per annum to 5 crores. Sakshi Mohan, she was working in a 10 LPA job. Again, the same issues which most of us face while in jobs. She had issues with the manager. She was experiencing politics in her office, had a lot of toxic culture in the office, etc. Really bad working environment. She started her own company and scaled to 5 crores turnover in just 2 years, guys. In just 2 years. Scaled from 10 lakh per annum to 5 crores in turnover in just 2 years. In just 2 years. What is stopping you from doing it now? What is stopping you from doing it? Don't you want to get the same results for yourself? Don't you want to make crores of money? Don't you want to have the time and money freedom? Don't you want all of those things? If you do, this is the opportunity. More seats are going, guys. More seats are going. Only a few seats are left. I believe 10 seats are gone. 10 seats are gone, guys. Only a few seats are left. Another bonus that I'm going to give you. 50 done for you Canva ads template. 50 done for you Canva ads template. These are the same ads that I am using to sell my services. The same ads I am going to hand over to you. These are already optimized with what works in the market. You will not be spending money on creating something of your own and spending money, wasting money on it. I'm going to give you my ads that work, that bring in clients. 50 done for you ads. Now just imagine if you hire a good graphic designer who understands how ads work, how to make ads hooky, which colors to use, where should be your image, where should be what text to put on. If a designer knows all these things and has experience, he is going to charge you at least 500 rupees per design. And if you are asking him to create 50 designs, that is 25,000 rupees. 25,000 rupees. But you are going to get this absolutely for free, guys. You are going to get this absolutely for free. Absolutely for free. And I have more results from the Instagram dashboard, from my students, from my Instagram dashboard, and see what we have here. 1 lakh followers growth in just 1 month, guys. Growth of 1 lakh followers in just 1 month. See the date here, 25th August to 26th of July. 97,000 follower growth. 2 lakh followers growth in 3 months. 140,000 followers. 1,40,000 followers in just 1 month. 1,25,000 followers in just 1 month. 1,25,000 followers in just one month. So the 1 month can change your entire game. Can create a brand for you. Can get loads and loads. You can bring in loads and loads of clients. Imagine yourself in doing the work that you really want to do, in making the money that you really want to make. All these things are possible in going to the destinations, your dream destination, traveling to those dream destinations without even a care of money or time, because you have both of the things with you, all the strategies with you, already have the systems with you after the boot camp. Just imagine. Let me give you more mind-boggling achievements. By the way, guys, I gained 1 lakh followers on Instagram for myself in just 4 days. In just 4 days, 1 lakh followers on Instagram. I gained 2.5 lakh followers on Instagram in just 16 days, not even a month. 2.5 lakh followers on Instagram in just 16 days. I grew my Instagram from 100 followers to 1 million followers in just 1 year. I've already covered that. My video post on LinkedIn was second most watched video in the world. Not in India, not just in India. Second most watched video in the world. This video was on Mercedes dealerships or something. And you know how I know it? That this was the most watched video in the world? LinkedIn guys told me that. LinkedIn guys told me that. You know, all these platforms, they have their community managers who give us influencers their secrets in terms of what works and what not works, how to change our content, how to make it more aligned to go viral, etc., all those things. They share those, use their insights to create our own viral content. I share the same strategies with you so that you can go viral in the shortest time possible. That is the idea. That is the idea. So don't you want those viral strategies coming directly from these platforms, from LinkedIn, from Instagram, from YouTube? Don't you want those strategies? नहीं तो मेहनत करते रहोगे, सालों लगाओगे, कुछ ग्रोथ मिलती नहीं है. By the way, guys, I have spent 7 years in content creation. 7 years in content creation before something worked for me and I started going viral. 7 साल की जर्नी है जो किसी ने ना देखी. आप if you can go on YouTube, you can still look at my earlier channel. It still has like 18,000, 19,000 followers only. 7 years journey, nobody knows. And then something worked, and from 100 followers to 1 million followers in 1 year. What was that something that worked? I'm going to give you that something that worked in the bootcamp. I started a new advertising vertical from scratch. So guys, I have not only produced results for my students, I have produced results for my companies as well, where I was working earlier. So for my previous organization, I started a new advertising vertical from zero to 50 lakh rupees a month in just 6 months. 0 to 50 lakh rupees per month in just 6 months. If I can do it for them, surely I can do it for you. I started my first online business, guys. I started my first online business of selling Maggie online in Dubai while I was pursuing my MBA, and scaled it to 6 figures in just 4 months. So when I was in Dubai, there we had a shortage of masala Maggie, and we, being all students, we lived on masala Maggie, so to say. So I saw that demand, I saw that trend, and I captured that trend by launching an e-commerce store of selling masala Maggie online. I imported it from India, from Sharjah, etc., and started selling it on my website. Scaled it to 6 figures in just 4 months. And I started mentoring others, guys, at the age of 19 when I was pursuing computer science engineering. So I was learning AI back in 2014 when nobody knew about AI, from Andrew Ng. Andrew Ng is one of the, you can say, the fathers of AI. He is a professor at Harvard or Stanford. He taught me how AI worked, and I used to teach it to other students. I have been mentoring since the age of 19, guys, since the age of 19. More experience that count, guys, more experience that count. I have personally worked with top brands in the world. I have personally worked with the top brands in the world. Zomato, Uber, American Express, Google, Group M, by the way, guys, is one of the biggest agencies in the world. Group M is the biggest marketing agency in the world. I have been directly working with them for their clients. I worked with Zomato, I worked with Blinkit, I worked with Grofers before it turned to Blinkit. I worked with Muthoot Finance, I worked with Oppo, Vivo when Oppo and Vivo were everywhere. Everywhere you see, you watch, you were able to see Oppo and Vivo. So far, I and my agency has worked with more than 400 brands. 400 brand, guys. How did I get those 400 brands? Using the same strategies that I'm going to teach you in the bootcamp. I have worked with India's biggest media house, guys, Times of India. So if you know, Times of India is into all different channels of client acquisition. What are these channels? They are on TV, Times Now, Romedy, something, right? They are into newspapers, Times of India. They are on Radio Mirchi, I think is theirs. I don't remember it now. Then they are on internet, Times Internet. Then they are on billboards, on airports, Time Out of Home. So I have experience of all these different marketing channels together. I know which marketing channel to use when to get your clients coming to you. And I have been using the same strategies, the same intelligence, the same knowledge to get clients for myself and my students. I am going to share the same things with you in the bootcamp. I have so far taught and mentored 50,000 people to achieve and help them to achieve their business and brand goals. I have been mentoring people since the age of 19, guys. I am a silver medalist in marketing from the top 10 MBA institute in our country, which is IMT Ghaziabad. IMT Ghaziabad, which comes just after IIMs. So I am a silver medalist in marketing from one of the top 10 MBA institutes in our country. I have helped multiple brands. It could be startups, it could be established businesses, it could be international businesses to scale from zero to crores in revenue. And not just in India, but internationally too. The last job that I was working for, the last company I was working for, that was based out of US. The company had no presence in India. The clients of the company, the users, the buyers of that company, the customers of the company were also based out of US. So they were not based out of India. They were not even selling in India. I was sitting in India, heading their marketing and sales from India and helping them make sales and market themselves in US. That was my last job. And if I can help do them that, scale to crores in revenue while sitting in India, I can surely help you do that. I can surely help you do that. So take the plunge now, guys. Only a few seats are left. Now this is Prajakta, guys. She attended our boot camp and this is what she had to say. She learned so much in the first day of the boot camp itself, what she was unable to learn in her long 5 years of professional journey. Listen to her.
Very, very energetic. Few steps I'm behind actually. So like I used to ask you how to do this, how to that. So I'll again go with the recording and I'll do it. And I'll ask many questions to you. But yes, many things which I have not learned from, 5 years.
Please describe your experience. How did you like the workshop or the day one of the boot camp?
Yeah, there's actually I was waiting since long, like 20 days. My last day was the working 19th May, and I joined your workshop this before that 2 days before, that is 17. So I was very curious and I just want to learn how, I mean, now I have a 1.5 years of a old kid. So my specific need to search remote friendly either a job and client also, because from 2019 to 2021, that 2.5 years, I work as a freelancer and I try to build up my own startup also. So till that period, that 2 years, we reached to 8 people, and then suddenly, because of heavy loss, we again ramped down, and everyone started working uh, as an employee.
Okay.
So that's the main reason I joined, and today I really, I mean, it's very, very energetic. Few steps I'm behind actually. So like I used to ask you how to do this, how to that. So I'll again go with the recording and I'll do it. And I'll ask many questions to you. But yes, many things which I have not learned from, 5 years in a job, that I learned into this one day. So,
Good to know that. Great to know that. Great to know that.
So I have two aspects to join. One is a remote job, and second one is to get a client also.
Awesome. So do you think this is, are you going to implement these strategies now?
Yes.
Great. So this one,
Prajakta, guys, and just imagine if she was able to learn so much in just the first day of the boot camp, how much more can you learn in all the days that there are in the boot camp? So do not waste this time. Just click on the link, pay now and move ahead. So putting everything together, guys, a launch offer for you right now, 1+3. You buy a bootcamp ticket for yourself, you will be able to get 3 people along with you. 3 people along with you. So people who are asking this question, how much is it for one person? For one person it is of the same price. For 3 persons also it is of the same price. For 4 persons it is of the same price. Minimum you have to pay this amount. As simple as that. That is the minimum amount you need to pay to bring in 1+3 people. Plus you are going to get a recording of 3 days. And whatever bonuses, additional bonuses I have shown you, only for the people who are present here right now, only for the people who are present in this workshop, and only for the first 15 minutes, guys. If you pay now, next 15 minutes, the people who have paid earlier and people who are going to pay now in the next 15 minutes, these additional bonuses are only for you. if you are paying after the first 15 minutes, you are not going to get these bonuses, guys. Let me be very clear with you. You are not going to get these bonuses if you are paying after 15 minutes from now. So what you are going to get, again, let me summarize. Live ticket to the 3-day boot camp, 300 viral reel templates, 28 plus no effort hooky captions, 1000 profitable niches, digital magnet landing page, money making sales script which is 35,000 rupees, which actually has the power to transform your game, to scale your business absolutely for free. Eye-opening proven email and templates absolutely for free. Landing page import link again absolutely for free. The special bonuses, the add-on bonuses are only for the first 15 minutes, guys. The feedback and the Q&A session which we are going to do after 7 days of the boot camp, again free for you. The accountability or the scalability session that we are going to do after 3 weeks of the 3-day live boot camp, again free for you. The 50 done for you Canva ads template, the 50 done for you Canva ads template, again absolutely free for you. Only for the people who are going to pay now in the next 15 minutes. Only for the first 8 people and the people who are going to pay in the first 15 minutes. Again, guys, the link is in the chat window. Click on that link, go to the Razorpay website and pay. Click on the link, go to the Razorpay website and pay. Please move ahead. Please do it now. If you want to get into the boot camp, please do it now. Cancelling this out. If you click on the link, again you will come back to this page. 3-day live boot camp plus all bonuses. Go live with Shikhar Suri. Only for first few people. Here's the fee. Here's the name. Here is the email ID. Here is the phone number. Here is the state. Click on pay. And click on pay and you're good to go. Click on pay and you're good to go. You are good to go, guys. What is stopping you from moving ahead? Now let me take some questions. Let me take some questions and answer some questions that you might have, that you might be thinking. Let me take some questions and answer some questions for you guys. So if you're somebody who is thinking that my product or my service is not ready, right? I have not decided what to sell. If you're somebody जिसने अभी तक सोचा नहीं है कि क्या बेचना है या क्या नहीं बेचना है, so why are you waiting? I am going to give you the list of 1000 profitable niches. Just pick some skill, pick some service and start selling it. By the way guys, it doesn't matter if you are able to deliver projects for your clients or not. What matters is if you are able to get clients for yourself. अगर आप अपने लिए clients ला सकते हो तो भाई उस client को project deliver करने के लिए तो लाखों लोग वैसे ही बैठे हुए हैं आपकी तरह जो कि deliver करके दे देंगे. So if you do not have the skill set to deliver a project to your client, it is completely fine. You should learn how to get client and then ask somebody, hire somebody else, hire an intern, hire some colleague, hire another freelancer to get that work done for your client. Use AI tools to do that work for the client. And if you are still undecided about your niche, about your market, about your domain, please let me tell you, you will keep on waiting for years and years without to find that perfect niche for you, to perfect that perfect market for you, to find that perfect client for you. You will keep on waiting. And in this 1 year, you would have lost 60 lakh rupees. If let's say you were going to earn 60 lakh rupees for the entire year after getting clients, you would have wasted one complete year just to keep on sitting and thinking, yaar ye bechu ki na bechu, and you would have lost the opportunity to make 60 lakh rupees. So do not stay stuck. I am giving you an entire list of profitable niches. Pick a niche for yourself and start getting clients for that niche. Pick a niche for yourself from that list and start getting clients for you. Start getting clients for you guys. Scan this QR code and move ahead, guys. Scan this QR code and move ahead. I have more seats are gone, guys. More seats are gone. Only a few seats are left. Please make the payment right now. No queries, nothing would be entertained by my team after this time gets over. Plus, you will not get the bonuses. Plus, you will not get the bonuses. If you are among the first 26 people and you are making the payment in the first 15 minutes, you are going to get the bonuses, all the bonuses that I have mentioned. Please do not keep on thinking and lose this opportunity. Lose the 26 seats that we have. So I am already part of another program right now. I am already a part of another course right now. If you have that question, guys, I have been telling you from starting, this 3-day boot camp is a live boot camp. This is not a course that I am selling you. This is not a course. Nowhere in India this happens where I am doing a live thing with you. The creator of the program is taking you live through the concepts, through the implementation. I am going to make you implement everything that you need to get to your first 10 clients during the first 3 days itself. So even if you are doing a course, keep on doing it. No problem with that. Keep on doing it. But use these 3 days to significantly increase your level, to significantly increase your preparedness, to significantly increase your chances of getting those high paying clients, to start getting high paying clients. Like I said, this is not a course. Now tell me honestly, whatever we have learned in the past 2 hours, whatever we have learned so far in the past 2 hours, wasn't it more than what you learned in a month, guys? Wasn't it more than what you learned in an entire month? So if you are able to learn more than what you learn in 30 days, in just 2 hours, just imagine what those 3 days can do for you. How much more you would be able to learn, how much more you will be able to implement, and how many more clients and more money you will be able to make. How much more followers you will be able to gain. Just think about that. Please scan this QR code, guys, or click on in the link in the chat window, and please move ahead. Please move ahead. Another seat gone, guys. Another seat gone. Another notification received. Another seat gone, guys. Guys who are paying, I am not able to confirm your names. But do not worry. Within 24 hours, my team is going to reach out to you. After you have done the payment, you would receive a receipt in your email. That is your payment confirmation. If you have the receipt in your email, that means we have received your payment. It is as simple as that. My team will reach out to you. As soon as you make the payment within 24 hours, my team is going to reach out to you. Understood? Moving on. Now, if you feel you are paying this much money is a lot, paying 6,677 rupees is a lot of money, then let me do the calculation for you guys. So let's break it down. Let's take 6,677 rupees. Let's round it off to 6,600 rupees. Okay? There is no GST on top of that, guys. There is no GST on top of 6,600 rupees. The GST is already included in the cost. So no extra cost to you. Plus, I am giving you 1 plus 3 offer. So what you are paying is 6,600 rupees for total 4 people in total. That means you are only paying 1,650 rupees per person. Only 1,650 rupees per person. Now, you are getting a 3-day event with 2 additional sessions, which will keep you accountable and moving in the right direction for a month. For an entire month. So the total sessions you are getting are 5 sessions. Guys, 5 sessions. If you divide 1650 by 5, that leads to 330 rupees. Only 330 rupees, guys. For this workshop, you already have paid 99 rupees, 199 rupees, 299 rupees, whatever. For this workshop, you have already paid this much money. And now I am technically asking you to pay just 330 rupees more to get 10x the more value. To get clients for you in real time. To actually transform your business, take your business, your career to the next level and your brand to the next level. Just 330 additional rupees per person per session, guys. Can't you pay that? Don't you think that is a good investment to do? To make? So you could be somebody who could say, yeah, I don't have the money. Actually, you do. You just can't do the calculation. It is rupees 330 per person for 3-day event. With 9 additional bonuses. We also have 9 additional bonuses, guys. You can't even get a pizza for 330 rupees today. एक पिज्जा भी आप खरीदने जाओगे, कॉफी भी अगर आप लेने जाओगे स्टारबक्स में, तो 3 से 330 रुपए कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला आपको. Leave alone the entire transformation of your business and your brand that you are going to get. And by the way, this is not some course. Like I have mentioned so many times, this is not a course where I will sell you something and we just get rid of you like others. We are going to do everything live in the 3 days boot camp, and I'm not going to move ahead. I'm not going to move to the next section unless everybody in that workshop has completed that simple task or that simple implementation. I will make sure that each and every one of you is building systems for yourself, by yourself, and I will help you to create systems. If you are unable to do that, if you are unable to come up with ideas, I am going to give you those ideas. All this, the entire universe, just for 330 rupees, guys. Just for 330 rupees. People who drink and smoke, bhai, 330 रुपए में तो वो भी नहीं आता. So tell me one thing: can you take a risk of 330 rupees? Can you take a risk of 330 rupees? If you can, please proceed. We have only a few seats left. Only a few seats left, guys. Also, the time is running out. Also, the timer is running out. We only have few seats left, guys. If you can take the risk of 330 rupees, this is for you. Please take the risk and change the game for yourself. Please take the risk and change the game for yourself. Now, you could be having a question that you are not technical at all. So, is this for you? And let us see where you need technicality. Okay? So let's have a look at all the things that you need to make. पहली चीज landing page बनाना होगा, which is your website, right? I am going to give you a link. You click on that link and your website gets created. As simple as that. Do you need a technicality? Do you need any kind of technical degree to click on a link? Obviously no. You need to create your ads. I am going to give you my own ads. 50 done for you templates. You're going to make the changes to those templates on Canva. Do you need a technical degree for that? Do you need coding for that? It's just drag and drop. How to create a digital magnet or a lead magnet? I am going to give you copy and paste prompts that you can directly give to AI tools and generate a lead magnet for yourself. As simple as that. Do you need any technical knowledge for that? Sales script. I am giving you word by word sales script. Word by word sales script. Just use that and start closing clients. Start selling your services to the clients. As simple as that. Video creation. You need to create your videos. I am giving you all the equipments list. I am giving you the scripts for your reels. I am giving you the templates for your reels. I am giving you the captions for your reels. Everything at one place. Everything you are getting at one place. And you need not be technical at all, guys. You need not be technical at all. Just scan the code, just scan the QR code and move ahead. Just scan the QR code and move ahead, guys. Now, you could be somebody who might have this problem. I cannot show my face in the video. That is completely fine. That is completely fine. You need not show your face in the video every time or in any of the videos. This is what you can do. You can show some props in the video, moving things here from here to there, use some items, use some props, do something, right? Or you can use some stock images or videos in your reels, and you can use AI tools to create such videos for you also. You do not need to hire a video editor, you do not need to hire a script writer, you do not need to shoot videos. You can just use AI tools to create these videos, man. Why do you want to show your face? Then the third option is, and this is really trending right now, you wear a mask and you create videos, and this is really trending right now. People are creating videos in mass, which adds the mystery to their topic, the curiosity. It brings curiosity to their topic, to their channel, and people are just loving these videos. People are just loving these videos. Or if you can hire an intern or an employee